Hello, everybody. Happy
Ahoy!
Sunday, and welcome to another Sunday Super Show. Hello, Pastry and Author Lee. How you doing?
I got a 5-stream streak! Hi.
Didn't respond to that. Oh, my bad.
Whoa! I've got pills.
Don't drink all those at once.
Can you please hurry
I
up
won't
and take
drink
them?
all. No! They're just stay alive pills. They're not brainy wainy pills.
It's gonna down my pills. Popping
Just like a
pill,
video
pills
game.
here, popping pills.
Pills here. Oh no, fuck it. Let's just play Left 4 Dead. No, I'm kidding.
Left 4 Dead. Have been people getting like annoyed at Left 4 Dead recently because like they fucked the servers up or something?
There was an update, but that was a while ago.
I saw a
where
post
they
about it
changed
where
a lot
like
of stuff.
yeah, something was going on with the servers for it, and fans were rebelling. In fact, let's see if that's still happening, just out of interest, while we're doing this little intro.
Let's consult the Google.
Left 4 Dead 2 recent reviews. No, it's back to overwhelmingly positive now.
Hooray!
But I remember there was chatter about that being bad at one point. Been in 20 streams, only has a 5-stream streak. Yep, that's I got free, but it errored when I clicked it. That kept happening to me in Tom's stream. Cyber was like, I'm on like a 50-stream streak, and I'm like, I've been here for every one. Mine says like 2. What's this shit? Bullshit.
You fucked up.
So yeah, that feature doesn't work so great. But
No.
yeah, how's you guys enjoying your bank holiday weekend if you're in the UK? And if you're not,
Thanks.
I'm sorry about that, but
Thanks.
you already had a day off because of
Right.
Traitor Day, so
Right.
this is our
The
version.
fuck?
That's
What
right.
do you mean true? That was in July. That was ages ago.
Yeah, but you know, this is like our extra day that we're catching up. Because we didn't get a day off for Traitor Day.
Losers Day.
Losers Day, sure. This feature is excellent. It always works as intended, says Cyber on its 5-stream streak. Not 5 week.
Look at him. 5-week, 5-stream.
I guess it'd be a 10-week streak because we don't stream here every day or anything.
Guys, I can't wait for Tom's sleep schedule to align. I can't wait for Rob to stop having terrible luck.
When we say
And I can't
Tom's
wait
streams
when she-
like sleep schedule to align, what is he trying to align his sleep schedule with us?
Well, no, not exactly.
'Cause, like,
but
right
just
now-
to figure
hang
out
on.
when he
Alexa,
will be available.
What's the time in
Oh.
Japan?
In Japan, it's 3:03 a.m.
Like, if he's aligning his sleep schedule with us to come and do these, this would be fucked up, man. He's gonna. My boy's gonna be up at 3
The
a.m.
point I'm trying to make is also I hope like Lynchy's work also aligns and gets better because
switch over.
I really miss Kelvin.
It's been a little while, hasn't it?
He's in the woods all by himself.
You know who would also be in the woods joining him if some doofus didn't fucking kill her on sight? It would have been Virginia.
Virginia.
That's too many legs.
Yeah, I mean, you know, in a sense,
still
I agree
say
with it.
We should tilde key console command her back into existence.
I have
with
looked
the
into
power
how
of-
to do that, and it seems needlessly complicated. But
What
Oh,
Author Thee has done, let no man undo.
God. Well, I'll undo it because I am no
I
man.
love how we were
And
all
then
like, I wonder if you like slowly approach her if she gets friendly or not. And then literally 10 minutes later, it was like, I found a girl with like 7 legs. I smashed her to death with a stick.
Yeah,
And it was like,
great.
huh?
You should have seen it. I was magnificent.
And everyone's like, what the fuck? So it's okay. Don't worry, guys. She's dead. We got it.
I miss Virginia too. I miss everybody.
I
Tom
didn't.
can't make too much
Got her with every
noise.
swing.
I know.
Or the old shop owner who lives below won't train him to fight demons from another realm, says All Lives Lost. That is really specific.
What the fuck?
That's a very specific reference that I don't get, and I hope someone gets it. Someone who watches more films than me, probably.
I don't fucking get it.
Right. So specific it has to be true. That, yeah, there you go. Now we're right. Well, now we've got it. Right. I'm going to get started, I guess. It's me.
Yeah.
Now,
And what you got for us?
I've been teasing this as something that's very difficult to get set up. And also,
I should
earlier
open the
said,
thing where we can watch other people play stuff.
yeah. Also, earlier I said this is something that Pastry is going to be very interested in.
Yeah.
Wait, what the fuck is going on? What the fuck? Do you guys see this different view now? No,
I see the M on the red.
I'm gonna
so
very quickly post a screenshot of what happened to the Twitch thing. You can have a look at
They
the admin
changed
channel.
everything, guys.
It got,
just so you know.
It doesn't even make sense. It looks broken. That's what I've now got.
What is that?
I don't know. I
Why
don't
are you
know.
so tiny?
I don't know what happened.
Who's talking?
Right.
Shut up.
Shut up. Okay, let's get this show on the road, shall we? Right, I'm going to preface this with a few things before I get into it and kind of surprise you of what this is. Fucking Ariel Lama comes
God
in with
damn it,
send
cuz.
feet pics.
She was celebrating. She was like, guys, someone gifted me the sub with the feet pics. I'm so happy.
Oh dear. Oh no. I'm going to preface this with a bunch of stuff very quickly. Like, the main thing is, one, this is like a work in progress, heavily work in progress, chat. You'll understand as soon as we get going. It is liable to crash. There is very liable to crash. It's also very liable to flash the screen and such at random points. So get ready for that. It doesn't entirely function, but it functions enough that I think it's worth bringing here for people who are interested to have a look at it.
I know what it is!
Okay. Pastry might know what it is.
Sorry.
Also, it has no music or sound, so I'm going to be supplying my own soundtrack. And let's see how long it takes Pastry to twig if she does know what it is.
I know what it
Are you
is.
gonna beatbox?
But I'm not going to say. Or maybe I can drop a hint. Like, you know, in some games, they will still love you if you're a worm. Yes!
I'm going to be bringing Bloodborne, chat. And everyone's like, oh, what do you mean Bloodborne? That's not, like, weird and crashes and such. I'm playing this on my PC.
Oh!
And not through a remote play session. I'm playing this on my PC through the emulator Shad PS4, which has taken me a long time to get set up. a lot of patching things has been done. Oh yes.
Oh, yes,
Pale blood. I'm just going to skip this
blood.
because cutscenes are fucked. Kind
You
of.
son of a bitch.
Right, so I'm going to be restarting this software a lot. Expect that to happen.
Okay.
And like I said, expect potential flashing screens and such, chat. Just be prepared for it. But we're going to check it out. It just enters the name for you because it doesn't have a keyboard
It's your
input.
boy.
Shade.
Shade. PS4.
In the, whatchamacallit, not the interest, in your honor, Pastry, I'm going to make a character who I think would work well with a certain weapon. Let's go with military veteran, why not? And I can go in and change things in the appearance, but I can't see them. So it's not really
Oh,
worth doing.
okay. We
Right
just turn
now-
all the sliders up to the max or min.
Yeah, right now, you'll understand very quickly what I mean by we can't see them.
Game crash.
No, I don't think so. Just loading. I have a thing in the background that's going ape shit with errors and stuff, by the way.
Oh my god, he's so mysterious.
Yeah,
in
so
this
the other thing
cutscene.
about this is it's really dark. However,
Oh my.
once you're in the game and you're outside the sick bay or whatever, it's not so bad.
Ah!
Holy shit, man, is this Elden Ring on PS4? It sure is. Also, you should be getting some
I want his hat.
nicely mixed together, flowing Bloodborne OST if you've got the audio on. That should be happening.
Can we hear it?
You should be able to hear it, yeah.
I don't hear shit.
Chat, I assume you can hear it.
Let me crank it up. Maybe it's too low.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's okay, it's gone. Thank you, Face Street.
What do you mean?
Yeah, it was doing the feedback loop again. It's doing it again! It's doing it for me now!
I don't hear it! What do you mean?
I do, and it's very loud. Alright, I've muted you both for now.
What the fuck?
I don't know, man. It's so loud. I don't even
All
think
I
chat
did
would have
was
heard it.
unmute your stream.
I've muted you
That's
both
what
on
I did.
Thingy now, so you should be good. Can you actually hear the
Okay,
music?
Well,
It's very quiet.
no, because when I did that, that's when everything went to fuck.
We heard it. We most definitely heard it. Okay, you do a chat now understand what I'm talking about by the pain of that.
And I can't hear any sound from the game even when I turn the sound on, which
Right,
is the
there should be
Yes.
very
the
quiet
problem.
music in the background. That's what there should be.
I'm at 200%. I can't hear shit.
There's nothing. They really broke this shit. We don't need sound. It's okay as long as the chat can hear it.
Tell
I'm
you
wondering
what.
if the problem might be your end.
Well, I mean, I'm just looping through my same audio cable I always loop through. I don't know what the problem would be.
I don't understand.
I'm listening.
Like, I didn't even
through-
have.
No?
Like, on my OBS scene, the only thing I have on this scene that I'm currently virtual cameraing.
Try unmute everything again. Try do that.
Unmute? I mean, I had desktop audio that's muted. And then I'm on push to talk, so you should not be hearing a damn thing from
Yeah.
me.
So, who's that through? Is that? Okay, right. I think I might have solved it. Can you hear it now?
How quiet is quiet?
Well, I mean, it should just be music. You should be able to hear some sort of music. If you can't hear it at all, then no. I assume you do not hear it.
I don't hear anything.
Nope. 200%. Still can't hear anything.
I'm just trying to.
This is all Twitch's fault.
Yeah, this is Twitch's fault. What about now?
I want to watch this clip on 1% volume.
Alright, well, you know what? Just put some Bloodborne music on in the background, because that's basically all I've done.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm gonna get on with it, because I haven't got too much time on my
Okay.
timer. Because this is glitchy, and it's gonna crash a lot, and I really don't want to, like, spend too much time showing this off, that, you know, we're gonna end up with... Oh god, where's the, No, I need the... Where is it? There it is. I need to make sure that's up at all times, right. Okay. So yeah, anyway, this is, like I said, Shad PS4. This is a emulator that is now able to run Bloodborne. Commercial game Bloodborne at, like, full resolution and 60 FPS.
Sorry, I'm watching the clip. It's so fucking bad.
So bad. And I have the volume turned down for them. Imagine how loud that is for me.
Oh my god! I had it on 1% and I can still hear it just growing. It was horrible. Look at
Chop,
you killing a
chop,
werewolf with your karate
chop.
chop! Yeah!
No.
Oh.
Right, this is the first potential time for it to crash. The fact that I disappeared is good, actually, because that usually means it's not going to crash. So.
Oh my god, just you went full on just out of existence.
Now, when you make a clip, it automatically puts the volume at 100%, so it's so loud it thought my speakers busted. Yeah, but I have the decibels for you guys turned down to like minus 20 or something. So
Oh look.
add another 20
Just
decibels.
like I remember the Hunter Street.
And that's what I was hearing. Which is why I was screaming. Like, ah!
So, what's the motivation behind this? And is this like to prove that the tech works? And we're
No,
getting
it's
closer
a
to
fully
Bloodborne on PC?
functional PS4 emulator that they're working on to finally get PS4 emulation off the ground. And it, you know, they're hacking this together, as you can see by my face,
Nice wiener.
which is currently like falling into the ground. But this is like shockingly functional for how long they've been working on it. I've been following the updates for this for about 2 or 3 weeks, and this is like they've gone from it booted to a red loading screen and then crashed to this in those a couple of weeks.
Wow.
Which is honestly insane.
That's perfect.
It's like it shouldn't be this good at this point. It shouldn't be running
Emulation
at 60
is
FPS. That's for damn
morally
sure.
correct.
One thing it does do is it skips through all the dialogue automatically, and I had no idea how to stop it doing that.
Pew!
I'm going to take our stuff. As said,
What,
I'm
is it gonna
going
let you
to I'm
pick?
going to pick the threaded cane.
Yeah!
Now, one other thing that happens during this version is if I equip any new clothes, I no longer can warp. It will crash. So
Oh.
I'm pretty much
okay.
stuck in the clothes I'm in. I can equip weapons. That does work, and the weapons function as
Good.
intended. So
The
that's good.
fucking chain whip threaded cane is so cool.
Gonna go back to the sick room. Now this might crash. If I disappear like that, if you see me disappear, there's a good chance it's not gonna crash. That's what I will say.
That's great news.
Yeah, that's a good sign. And if I do crash, I can restart and it'll like be pretty good. Oh, look at this funky door.
Whoa, I love the funky door!
Also, my face is back to normal again. It's no longer melting into the floor.
Oh, good. It's so spooky in here. Yeah, kick his wolf ass.
Take that, woof.
This really should be all the motivation that Sony need to finally get off their ass. and
That's
release
kind of
on
what I'm
PC.
hoping for, I'll be honest. Like, don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
If this version, like, ends up becoming the de facto version to play on PC and it, like, gets really stable and it's, 4K and all that stuff, great. I'll play the fucking emulated version of Bloodborne. I don't mind. But they really have no reason not to bring this out on PC. But
I
realistically.
don't know what
This
it
is
is
gonna
with
steal their
this,
lunch,
this
right?
and Demon
Exactly.
Souls.
So we've got Bloodborne
And can
PS4,
they
Bloodborne
legally-
PS1, Bloodborne Kart. Yeah, now Bloodborne on PC.
Yeah, like, can they legally do anything about this? Because it's emulation is like, I'm sorry, it's morally correct. It preserves.
It's also a bit of a
games.
grey area because, like, essentially, they're not doing anything illegal. They are reverse engineering the PlayStation 4 and making it work in like software. But you have to supply your own hardware files from a jailbroken PS4, which is what took me so long to get this working.
Oh.
I had to go and jailbreak my PS4 that was downstairs.
Oh wow.
You have to get your own system files to get it working. You have to, get a version of the game that they will not supply you with or tell you how to get. But the only way to get it is either rip it yourself or find somewhere to download it from. But they do not advertise, support of that. So they're not in any sort of legal woe with that.
Okay.
So realistically, it's kind of difficult. You might
Yeah,
remember
I was
that
gonna
fairly
say,
high
like,
profile
it's not something
thing.
I can do.
That fairly high profile thing from the Switch emulation stuff recently, right? Where that got like
Oh, that's a thing.
killed by Nintendo. Which
I
one
didn't
was
know
it? Was
that.
it Yuzu that got killed by Nintendo? I think it might have been. I can't remember what it was called now off the top of my head. Yuzu, there you go. But the reason why that happened is because they had a Patreon. And they were taking money from people to get
Gotcha,
access to the
yeah.
support builds and stuff. Which, don't get me wrong, I think the work probably warrants that. Oh, also we have like a weird mod in here where it's got
Right.
like loads of different stuff on.
Ooh,
I can go to like
look at that.
I can go to a workshop from here, and I can channel my blood
That's
echoes from
why,
here.
like, that's why them dropping the bomb on
It's
Bloodborne
crashed.
Cart really annoyed me because oh no,
It's okay.
she went out
You'll
of her
see
way
how
to
quick
say, like,
it is to
do
get
not
back
give
into
me
it.
money.
Unlike actual,
Don't give me money for Bloodborne Cart.
unlike actual Bloodborne, you'll see how quick it is to get back into this game. It's ludicrous.
Bloodborne is so slow.
There you go. I'm already back.
No, that was so fast.
Yeah.
That's PC, baby.
I'm gonna go to the Hunter's Dream. I can go to a shop and I can get a bunch of stuff for free from the shop, I believe. So I'm gonna go do that.
Oh, that's
Is it
also
fast
good.
on a PS5?
Say again, sorry.
I played it and I'm trying to remember.
What'd you say, Orpheus? Sorry, say that again.
Have they sped that part up on a PS5?
No.
Because maybe it was just on
Well,
PS4, it was just the spinning disc.
I guess kind of like they've sped up. I think some of the loading stuff might be a bit quicker on the PS5, but they haven't like patched it in any way, shape, or form. Get out of here, Jim.
What the fuck? Herman.
They haven't like improved it on the PS5 necessarily. They didn't patch it or anything, which is sad. So they've got this thing here: acquire or trick weapons.
Holy cow!
This is mods again. So this is
Why
another thing.
would they give you outfits if it just crashes the game?
Well, this is like a mod that you could have installed on the jailbroken PS4. So there is also a mod to like randomize the game and a boss rush mod and stuff I could have gotten off of Nexus mods. I didn't. But, you know, they've got all this stuff where it's like, acquire everything. Acquire all armors. Sure. Acquire all trick weapons. Acquire all tools. Let's just acquire everything, shall we? Why not? We don't have to use everything. Fill upgrade material stacks.
Heck it.
So now my inventory should be pretty stocked, which is good.
Can you go kill that screaming bastard on the bridge?
Oh, they've even got the uncanny ones. Yeah, that was what I was planning on ending with. Is we're gonna get to the cleric beast and give him a go. Got all the weapons. Look at that.
Look at him! You did, damn.
I don't know if I have all
Achievable
of the.
unlocked.
I don't know if I have the stuff from the DLC. I don't think I've got the DLC installed. No, Boomhammer is DLC, right?
Oh, yeah, Boomhammer. Boomhammer.
The guy from King of the Hill.
Yeah.
Dang old man. Boomhammer, man.
Gotta go hunt them goddamn beasts and turn yarn them to some shit.
Oh, the music is just starting fucking Ludwig's transition to phase 2 in my ear. The choir's
Oh,
getting
you
all
guys are
like
making
spicy.
those weird
song.
voices. I was talking about the British Kids TV show.
Yeah, look
King
at
of Hill.
the look at like
What?
look at the plants
Good
and
morning,
stuff.
King of the Hill.
Oh, they're growing.
But the funny thing about it, and what is so unstable about this, and I think doesn't necessarily like make it bad, is if I like reawaken from this lamp, which this might crash again, but if I just respawn at this location, I might not get the same graphical glitches. Like now they're actually worse, I think. They might have gotten worse. Things like my face when it was melting, that doesn't always happen. Like it just sometimes happens. So like if I go back to the Hunter's Dream, which it crashed.
Occasional face melting.
A couple of warps and it'll go, basically. Like I can get 2 or 3 warps in and then that's my lot.
You didn't properly quit out on your last session.
You're right, I didn't.
Naughty.
Doll's gone. Oh, she up there?
She did?
She's probably up here, right?
There she is.
I don't think I've felt so aggrieved about an error message as I have when Elden Ring says that to me. I am so offended every time.
You didn't quit
that
out
the game
properly, idiot.
fucking
And you're like,
crashes.
oh.
Well, the game fucking crashes and then chastises you afterwards. And it's like,
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Now look at the plants.
suck a self-aware dick.
Lovely.
Now they're fine. Now there's no issue. It's so unstable. However, the fact that it even runs like this well is absolutely insane.
Yeah.
And very positive for those of us who are Bloodborne fans who have been left in the dark for too long.
Yeah. You
Because-
gotta do it, Sony, because otherwise smart people are gonna do it.
Exactly. Yeah. These people are
People
like
who
90.
you should hire.
Well, not
maybe.
even 90. They're more like probably about 20, but they're on their way there to making this a viable thing on PC. I reckon this could be like fully playable from start to finish in the next month with the speed they're going. Because like if you look at the builds
Yeah.
from about a week ago for this, like
Ugh.
it wouldn't even load into the game properly. Like they could get to like character creation
Progress
screens
is
and stuff.
insane.
The progress truly is.
Because yeah, this
insane.
has popped up on my feed a couple of times where I was just like, oh fuck. And I knew it was something I would never hope to be able to get
Yeah,
to work
it's a lot.
myself.
Actually getting it to work is a lot.
And
Right
then
now.
I'm happy because I have the game on the PS5, even though it's still a little slow and then they didn't update the graphics. That's okay because I can play it whenever I want. And I kind of wanted to play it recently, actually, because I was watching some Elden Ring video about the Winter Lanterns, and I was like, I gotta play Bloodborne again.
I don't think I've ever seen the Winter Lanterns and then thought I want to play Bloodborne again. I'm always like, they're my
What the
least
fuck?
favorite enemy. Fuck
That's
these
half the
fucking things.
I
fun.
don't think I've ever seen Bloodborne and thought, I wish I was playing this.
No, this
Well, I
game's-
know.
This game's fantastic.
He doesn't like it because it's dismal and dark and
I mean,
dank
it is
and dank
very
and-
dingy and dark. The other thing that's bad about this build, and as you can probably tell right now, is if people are shooting me, I don't see their bullets. That shit ain't
Oh!
here, so I'm just getting shot.
Fuck you, Abe Lincoln.
Oh! And having no sound as well. Not being able to hear people go, this sound's finished!
Very jump scary.
So
Sound's finished.
you can technically have sound. I've had to remove it from the game in order to like boost performance because like the sound core is not very stable.
It's your
right
fault.
now. Yeah, there you go. Just occasionally do that. It's all your fault.
There's something in the water.
I'm leaving these leads here. I can't be fucked with that.
I don't know if this is just me, but the more you're running, the more it turns into oatmeal mashed potatoes. I cannot see a fucking
Oh, I mean,
thing.
probably that's just virtue of
Yeah.
how that
Yeah.
works. I think.
That's amazing. It's like someone rubbed Vaseline all over the screen.
It's gradually going down through the PS eras. I think we're back to 2 at the moment.
Look at this big boy silhouette.
Oh!
You got him.
I put his lights
You
on
parried that
instead of knocking his
casually.
lights off. Oh, out or whatever. I
did.
knocked his lights on.
Ding.
Give me a bunch of vials. There we go.
Dead.
But the physics all work.
Yeah.
Well, that shit works just
Yeah, look
fine.
at him. He's ragdolling with the best of them.
Like, there are certain things that I expect to work and not to work in early days, like emulation. Like, UI all looking great. That I expect to work. That's like 2D
Yes.
elements that are really easy to do. Like, the first things that'll ever be working in an emulator usually are 2D games. So, like, this
That makes
emulator can
sense.
already play Sonic Mania at like full speed and with no graphical glitches or whatever. The PS4 version, that sort of stuff.
Cool.
But getting it to run a 3D game is like leaps and bounds more difficult. And with this level of
Oh,
like visual clarity and actually having it look like the game, and actually, I mean, like, as much as it's not perfect by any stretch, it's reasonably playable. Like, I'm able to play it.
I can tell that it's Bloodborne.
Like, I'm able to actually, you know, not die in 2 seconds because the game's like broken.
Even through Vaseline potato lens, it's obviously Bloodborne. This is some like guess the game shit.
Can I? I don't want to do that. That's what I want to do. The only thing that is kind of annoying is one of the mods I'm using. Like, it has a bunch of additional stuff you can do. Like, you can put on like God mode and stuff if you want. But in order to do it, you have to kneel at the lady, the doll. And I can't do gestures because I'm on an Xbox controller that has no touchpad to bring up the gesture like mini hotbar
Well,
thing.
don't you have a PS4 controller?
I do.
that
I
you can
could
just plug
could
in?
sort that out, but I was like, you know what? It works with the 361. I'm not gonna chance it. I'll just play it with this because like
Yeah.
that's only really that thing that's broken, so it's not like the end of the world. Right, we've got 8 minutes left. I know what I want to do.
Can you break objects? Can you roll into barrels and destroy them?
We got some stuff over here, probably, right?
Yeah. Yeah!
Yeah, that shit all works.
They did it!
I just kind of, just for a second, I just want to show you this other screen, if I can. This other thing. Let me see if I can get it up. Window capture.
It's thinking.
Capture method, Windows 10 and up. This is what the
What the
command line
fuck?
is doing the whole time while this is running. Any red
Holy
text
shit.
is like
Wow.
shit's broken. I'm just gonna put that there for
We'll
a
just
second
put
so
that
people
there.
can just see it going absolutely ape shit. Like the entire time I'm running this game in the background, that's going like
Pretty rough.
really bad. It's really having a bad time. Right.
It's probably
not-
just trying to load the texture that someone just farted outside.
It did sound like a fart. It did sound shockingly like a fart.
It's gonna be so dark in here. Oh no. Oh, never mind.
So I remember the enemy spawns in this area, like back of my hand.
Oh, the barrel's lit up.
Yeah, this
It's
is actually
unpotatoing.
this might be part of the mod that I installed. Look at that fucking wall. That might be part of the mod that I installed. That's like Skittles. In order to, it took off the point maps, I think it was, for the lights. So it's why we're not getting as much flashing and flickering. Is essentially I've removed a lot of the global illumination, like that's going on there. That would be happening way worse if I didn't do that. So
Skittles.
look at this Skittles wall. I love it.
I want to go through there.
I want to lick
I
that
want to go
wall.
with the
It probably
Skittles
tastes good.
dimension. What the fuck? Shortcut. How are you liking the threaded cane?
Nope. Okay.
Because it is the
I don't
best
wanna, I
weapon
would not
in
like
the
to
game.
die before I get the shortcut. So, I don't like how much damage the threaded cane does at the start. It's very weak compared to the Saw Cleaver, but I do like the reach on it. However, the damage
So
like
nice.
issue is not an issue after a little while.
The only downside I have with it is that you can't do Mega Punch with the cane
glimpse the dream.
or the thread whip version.
Right, I highly
but
expect
that
it to
also
crash
makes
here.
sense.
You'll see if it crashes. There you go. And there's the command line has stopped doing anything, and it just says like broken.
Fucky wucky.
Basically, error. Fuck you. Yeah. Right, I can close that. And let's.
But just
relaunch
think
it.
of all the stuff that isn't bringing back errors because the game is working.
It's shocking again how well it works. Like it shouldn't be this good. And as Orphaly said, this is going to eat their lunch for sure. If they don't, like, pull their finger out of their ass and make it work at some point on PC or announce it on PC, there are a lot of people who are playing.
But do they understand how many people will buy it?
Exactly. This is what I mean. There's a lot of people here who are, like, big fans of Bloodborne who will just seek this out, and then they won't need a PC version anymore. So, yeah, they really need to get on this shit, don't they? Right, I have 5 minutes left on my timer. I think that's enough time for me to at least
Kick his
give
ass.
him a go. How does a stagger work for Cleric Beast? Does it just shoot his head a bunch of times, or is it during certain
don't
moves?
know.
It seems really, like-
I think you
Questionable how it works. It's like sometimes it just doesn't.
just hit him in the head, and I think that's it. Either with a gun, you'll be able to reach with the whip at certain points. So, I'm sure you can with the saw, too, with that long vertical version, or whatever.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you look so weird and textured.
It looks so
Oh,
weird.
not
and
anymore.
oh, there, I see. it.
Well, yeah, look!
I've got like, I'm kind of invisible. I'm like the Invisible Man.
Oh.
I don't need reminding you're here. Ow, ow. Apparently,
Oh,
do need reminding how to
Jesus!
fight though. I don't use the threaded cane very often. It's one of those things I kind of
I
like
remember.
wish I'd done more of, is like playing with different weapons in these games.
Oh, hell yeah.
I tend to get
Or,
into
you
like
know,
a
just
groove
only
where
the
it's
cane.
like one weapon that I really like, so I'll just play with that weapon.
Go, can you summon
Where would they be?
at the fountain?
At the fountain?
At the fountain.
Where's the fountain?
The courtyard? Down the
Oh,
steps.
downstairs? Maybe.
Yeah.
So you mean down here, down fountain, past the Brick Boys?
Yes.
Is this the fountain? No.
In the main courtyard where the guy, where you turned his light on. That guy.
Yeah, maybe. I don't. Getting back there is going to be awkward because we're going to have to go past the what do we call
Wolves.
them? The wolves again. Yeah. I don't need a summon.
I just don't know if that would work.
It should do, because that's not going to summon like from online. You know what I mean?
Mm-mm.
That's my prevailing memory of this game, is hearing Bridgman screaming.
Here he comes.
Over and over
Except
again.
we won't hear him.
You have to just do one for me, Pastry. Do the scream.
Okay.
That's worse.
It's pretty good.
Thank you.
I used to be able to do that, and then my throat stopped working. Now I think if I tried to do that, my throat would stop working even more. Just for a
That
little bit
really
here, I'm going to
hurt.
try shoot him in the head. You kind of like inhale when you do it, right?
Yes.
Just gonna shoot him in the head a bunch.
Oh,
There
you
go.
can't see your bullets. You did hit. Okay, so it is just headshots.
Yeah, I think after the first time you do it, though, it's like not so easy to do. But now I've lit
It's
him up.
more difficult. He's all lit. Oh, he's so gnarly looking.
Jesus, dude.
Do all the items work too? Do you have Mazel Tov cocktails?
Yeah, I haven't got any though. I don't think I grabbed those from the shop. Don't grab me. Oh, oh. Eh,
Whoa!
I don't do a lot of damage.
Pouch! Oh, he's trying to unlit himself. What, are you using the cane or the whip?
Whip.
Okay, whip. Whip is better. Whip is for beasts.
I just don't do a lot of damage in general because I haven't I leveled twice in vitality. Alright, you mad? Awfully once again, like, oh.
Fuck's sake. I genuinely am going to take some paracetamol now. I've had a headache brewing all day. This is killing me.
Oh!
This has done me in. It's finished me off.
Shall we? You double punched him. Scrambled his brain.
Alright, we're half health.
He's gonna grab!
Not today.
Imagine if the cleric beast sounds I do get stuck on that feedback loop. That'd be some shit.
Imagine if they get picked up, like by DMCA on that, like sound library they got it from.
Oh my god.
Same one the Witcher people were.
They got it from a sound library.
Yeah, you've played Witcher 3, right?
Yeah.
Pastry, when Pastry's playing it, they've got the cleric beast roar in there as well for one of the creatures. I don't know what
Yeah.
Oh.
And you love that game.
That must be where I know it from, because it always sounded a bit sort of like I'd heard it a million times, and I always attributed it just to
Whoa,
the fact
Ford's
that
going
people who
crazy.
fight it for like half an hour, and I have to watch it going. But
Yeah, I've definitely heard it in other places.
Please no kill.
But don't worry, I'll give the cleric beast a new voice so that it doesn't
Ah.
give anybody a headache or ear explosion.
It's me,
Yeah.
the cleric beast, Mr.
Hello
Bean.
there, it's me, the cleric beast. I'm just trying to smash you with my fists. Right, well...
If you're not careful, I'll give you a clerical error.
No,
It's turned into a Nigel,
I
hasn't
see. You keep trying to switch
Ow!
on my lights, well, I'll just give you the double fist pounding into the ground.
he? Into the green?
Into the ground. And I'll just scoot around. I don't want you to hit me because I'm kind of nearly almost dead. If I grab you, well, I missed. Gosh, that's I really dropped the ball on that one.
The gosh killed me, I'm not gonna lie. Gosh. It just sounds like someone who I've definitely had to deal with at the post office before. Oh, I was going to put it through, but something's gone wrong with the card and it won't go through. Sorry.
If you could just move a little closer, but not too close, because then if you're too close, I won't be able to hit you because you'll be right under my feet. There you go.
It's fucking voice. Killing me.
Why you keep using them blood boils? It's not very fair. I don't get to do nothing like that.
Pastry's best new character voice. Right now, I'm trying to trade some blood vials to get another stagger on him if I can.
Was it you took away your own health? That's crazy. Now you've got more bullets in your pocket. That's not looking good for you now that I've double-fisted you across the arena. Hey, did you know that door back there is connected to the one that's shut underground?
I have so many questions.
This doesn't even sound like Pastry. It really does just sound like someone I know. But it's crazy. I've heard this voice before.
All I have to do, I just have to pinch my nose and put on an accent of some type. I don't know the exact region. I'm just going with the flow.
I really want to heal, but it's freaking slowing down like crazy. I think I got to a spot where I was overlooking like a lot of area.
Unfavorable.
It freaked out. So the other thing is, this emulator right now does have a really bad memory leak. So eventually it will just crash through memory leak, which I think is slowly happening right now. might not actually kill him.
It sure looks like the game could crash any minute, which is good for me, but not for you. Oh, I tried to give you a little hug there. You need to keep an eye on your stamina, actually, because you're starting to lose it. You wouldn't think to 1 HP at a crucial time like this, would you?
Yeah! Fuck you, Cleric Beast, you piece of shit!
I'll see you in hell.
Oh! And it crashed!
Hey.
I beat. Oh no, it didn't! Oh my god, it almost did. Okay, well, now it did.
It's very...
It hard crashed.
Holy shit!
Oh man, it crashed so hard it crashed my OBS.
Oh no!
I think we might be back.
Is it? Are we back?
Oh yeah, I think we're back now. I'm gonna refresh and just double check, but I think we're back. It crashed so hard that it killed OBS. Absolutely amazing.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm just happy it didn't crash my PC. I gotta be real.
We'd be like, where'd he go?
So, yeah, it just eats more and more of your RAM up, is what's happening. And I think eventually it just ate so much of my RAM up that OBS went, I need RAM! And then just died. It's like, oh!
Right, well, it's me, Nigel from hell, and you should think about that next time you decide to show up and try to show me what for.
Fucking Nigel. New character just dropped. Alright, there you go, chat. That was Bloodborne. Oh, my guest star session also, I think, crashed. That's cool. There we go. I got back in, though. It's okay.
Yay!
Right, okay. Very good. That was very silly. I enjoyed that a lot. How do
I did too.
I don't want this, like, browser preview thing. Can I not do that? Like, how do I get rid of it? I don't want to see it.
I don't even know what you're seeing.
That thing I posted in
Oh.
in thingy, it's like it won't go away. It won't get rid of it. Guess good screen share, nameplates, performance. Man, I don't know what it's. Why is it doing this? Fucking hell, man.
Fucking hell.
Well, it's fine. I can still see. Okay, right, there we go. That was that.
You did it!
I need to
Good
move
lord.
you into slot 1, I think, right? Yes, Pastry, you're going to be
Who,
going
me?
next.
Oh, shit!
Sorry,
According to
Nigel.
Gibbs, we are the 3 musketeers of chaos.
Nothing quite like. Oh, actually, no. This is really fucked me over. This thing that won't go away.
What?
Because I can't click the button to put you live.
Uh-oh!
I'm just gonna restart the guest star again
Okay.
because that thing was there the whole time and it was really fucking with it.
The host has removed you as guest. You may now close this window, and then a button saying "Report Vikings of Twitch."
You're gonna report me. What an
This
asshole!
kicked me out of his stream.
Oh, I wish they
I'm
wouldn't.
sorry about these technical difficulties, everyone. We're sorting it out from hell.
I really wish they wouldn't change how everything works every so often and just fuck it all to the ground. Would be really nice, wouldn't it?
Yes.
All right. Okay, Pastry.
What do I have to do something? Because now I can't see my own screen again, and I don't know if it's working.
Turn that camera thing on again. It's grayed out.
Oh,
at the bottom.
right. Okay.
I'll just,
Let me make sure
I'll
the
turn this
correct
off for a
is
second, yeah.
select.
Just for a moment.
I'm just leaned in very close to my screen,
Were you frightened
and there we go.
frightened or frightened or frightened or frightened?
Whoa, no!
All right. Count
Right,
to Pastry.
What am I actually doing? Hello. I don't even have the game open. It's fine. I'll do that. We'll hit play.
And then I also need to make sure I'm getting your audio as well, because audio is being funky at the moment.
Oh, it is.
I hear, like, it sounds like someone opening a packet of crisps. Is that you, the game? Is that all for
That's
thee?
me. That's the game.
I did have
Ah!
Chris.
Why?
Oh my god, it's doing the feedback loop again.
Oh, this is an ugly screen right here. This is ew.
doing the fucking feedback loop. It got really loud again. I had to mute.
Oh, that's okay. Is it gone? Is it still in the room with us?
Haven't unmuted yet. No! Someone clip that! if that audio came through, someone's got to clip that. Not hearing it on stream. Okay, that's fine then. Oh my god, because I unmuted.
Oh.
After you said, has it gone? I unmuted it. It went. Normal again.
So, is there anything that
Fuck, I'm
I
dying.
should do? 'Cause, like, what do I do?
Right, let's just double check our audio chains are good, because I'm currently set to my microphone is cable C. My audio I'm listening through is my speakers. What are you guys set to?
Both of mine are audio cable
If
A.
both of yours are set to something, that's where we're getting the feedback.
Okay, what am I setting
So
the microphone
why you
to?
couldn't hear me earlier is because your not microphone one, the other one should have been set to your speakers.
Okay.
Yeah, that did it to both of us then.
I
now I
switched
can
it.
hear Pastry's game.
I'm gonna unmute now.
Yeah.
okay.
Now safe. When I tried it, it wasn't safe.
Okay, I can now hear the game and there's no feedback. It's not killing me.
All I got was.
Are we? Oh my god!
Okay,
Oh, fuck me.
So
My
are we
nipples nearly
good?
fell off.
I think we're good now.
We did
Pastry.
it?
I love
so
how
I'm playing
I love how at
Rotten
one point
Flesh.
hopefully or someone was like, "Is it you? Is it your end? Yours, both of yours." I said it was working. Been gaslit.
Fair. But anyway, I don't know what this is. I don't remember downloading this. It's a demo for something called Rotten Flesh.
That's a good start. I don't remember downloading this. It's like a fucking cryptid game. It just ended up on your drive somehow.
It installed itself. Aniki, I didn't read those tooltips.
Oh, I didn't even see those two.
The sound is.
I was out. Oh, it's Nigel.
Who
I think
wants
I
to
should
read?
just periodically change that.
You
setting
may
back on
have
the
many best
speakers.
friends, but your dog only has one.
Is this an Oscarina game?
Oh, maybe it is.
Uh-oh.
It's a Vivo like
It is a 3B. So I don't know what any of the
game
buttons
audio
are.
now. We can't hear nothing, but there's a good thing. Sound is good now, but I'm scared. Okay, there we go.
Oh,
It's the sequel
I
to
got
Lost in Vivo. It's called Lost in
Hey,
Vitro, and you're trying to get out of your mum.
Ah.
Is your mouse sensitivity like wildly up?
Yes. Yes. Well, it's not, but it is. You know what I mean?
Yeah, the usual. Someone's made a slider where 1 is like normal.
It's not,
and
but it is. Do you know
10
what I
is
mean?
like
no.
absurd.
No.
It's not as bad. Okay, can I investigate blocks? Nope. There's no jump. Wait, there's kind of a jump. Hang on. You see that?
Is it just me, or do
I
your legs
blinked.
kind of look like it's something to do with the fact that how they're outlined? They look like a picture of legs.
Yeah.
Hey, sure, you got the same mouse as me, right?
Yes, I think
You know
so.
those 2 buttons just behind the mouse wheel?
Yes.
You press the one closest to your palm. It will turn your sensitivity
It'll change
down.
the speed. I don't want to do that though, because then I'll get to my desktop and it'll be like.
Yeah, no, you want to go the other way, sure. What? What are you talking
Find
about?
your
I didn't-
dog.
Roy,
That's my boy.
my boy, Roy.
Please. Narrator.
Oh,
Roy, what a good boy he is. Not sure what got into him and ran off all of a sudden while I was walking him. I have defined him. He's all the family I have left.
Is it just
Okay.
pinchy nostril night tonight? Is that what's
Yeah.
going on?
It is. Yeah. They really missed the mark where they could have named him Fenton, but they didn't.
Fenton.
I could have.
Jesus Christ, Fenton!
Someone needs to make a horror game about finding Fenton.
All right, why don't you pinch your nose and do this one off? We'll take
why
turns.
Why did Flower just say Yuzu again for no reason?
I didn't see him
What?
say that.
I didn't see him say that either. Did your chat scroll up?
It says Yuzu Pastry Imagine. Is that sure? 1919.
What?
1919? That was years ago.
What?
I don't see this chat. He's having. He's
Oh, it's unfixed now. Right, okay.
he's been like possessed.
Read
Yeah.
this description in your best Pinchy Nose voice.
Oh, God. Hang on.
Oil lamp is a lamp in a metal frame with glass sides and with a handle on top. It produce
It produce.
It produce light by burning petrol oil.
Petrol? Well, I'll remember petrol.
Cheeseoid kill self with petrol.
So can I hold that up? Actually, how the fuck? Oh,
says
one.
one.
Okay, 1. I did it.
It does
Oh, it's got a
produce
meter
light
down
with
there.
petrol.
That's petrol.
Missing valve wheel.
Okay.
The button?
Okay. The fuck is it?
Oh.
Okay.
Rotate.
I keep blinking and that's really fucking me up.
As long as you don't have to manually button press the blink, then we're good.
I guess, but what if blinking gets me goofed?
Pretty sure that was what they did in that Alone in the Dark reboot, the first one they did. And
Oh god.
there was a whole mechanic where you'd get like crap in your eyes and you'd like blink it out.
Oh my god.
It wants your skin.
No.
It wants your skin to be human again. What
And
does that
have a
mean?
little
Has
sad
someone
face.
drawn a dauber on the eye?
Does look a
What
little
is
bit.
it? It's a pair of scissors.
Oh.
You
What was a
sure?
cock and
I'm
ball?
making that up. I don't actually know what that is. Maybe
It
it
wants your
isn't.
cock and ball skin.
No!
Look in the bottle.
but
Rotate,
wait
look
for
in the
the-
bottle.
Shit. Go,
Throw it.
Go.
What was that? Did you hear that?
I heard.
I heard wah. I think Nigel's here with us.
I think it was a duck. Q
Rats!
to grab. It's very strange.
But it is strange. Well, you know what? We'll put.
Oh, now you got
Okay,
a
no, we
weapon.
won't.
Broken glass knife.
Did I?
No, maybe not. Maybe it's just gone.
Where's my inventory? Am I stupid? What's the button?
Tab, maybe?
I thought it was tab, but ain't shit happened. Oh, it's cause I. Okay. It thought I was still holding the bottle.
Oh, I see. Grandpa.
Grandpa.
What's this got to do with our dog?
I don't know.
Don't care about Grandpa or Lady. Press Control to crouch
That
down.
looks like it's gonna blow up. I'll crouch in a minute. I want to see what's on this side of the boxes. Anyway, yeah, I don't know what the hell this is. I don't remember getting it or when I got it. It was probably a while back.
The fuck?
Who is this?
Is this some man in one
Confetti
trouser
World.
leg?
Oh, I think.
Oh, he's
no,
got
I
a.
think he
That's a
has
prosthetic leg.
prosthetic leg, and that's a climbing wall.
Yeah, that's
isn't
like a
it?
climbing wall.
A rock wall. Maybe they're backers of the game. I don't know. It's 3 random people so far.
They've all got their eyes crossed out, so I don't know if they'll be backers of the game necessarily. It seems a little harsh.
I mean, maybe they just wanted their identity protected.
We'd love you to
but
put our
this-
picture in the game, but
my
also
shadow.
not put my picture in the game, please.
Yeah. I mean,
If you
some
could do both
people
of those things
want their
somehow, that would be great.
Semi-privacy. It's dark. I found the wheel!
Yay! You know what that means.
Ah, that blink.
Whatever, like, spooky enemy in the game is probably now gonna turn up as you get to the gate.
That's right, a valve wheel which can be mounted on a valve pipe to open malfunctioning doors manually.
And I
tell you
gotta
what it
find
is.
my dog.
You sound like the announcer on a train in the UK. That's what it is.
Oh, but Tom is the leading person of train impression.
It's like if you did that,
voice.
but then you also like did the muffled thing Tom does. That's like
Ow!
Fucking hell.
That's my dog!
Arf.
My
Rory.
boy!
Rory, come back here.
Wow, this is my sprint, guys.
Is this the way you came?
Knees up.
Feels.
Yeah.
I guess you went that far down, huh? Hey, Arf?
Did you just unzip?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Why is it so musical? Bear, bear, bear,
What
bear, 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 bear.
do. Lovely. Anything in the barrel?
You need some more oil, mate.
Uh,
This game's about to get too dark for me to enjoy.
lady in coat. Okay. What are these sounds?
Oh, there's another one.
If I run out of lamp, can I pick up a new ball? New lamp?
Oh, the
Basketball
kid has
child.
ball. You have ball,
Yeah.
kid has ball.
Here you go, kid. Cone.
Now that would have been a funny
Hey,
bit if
I
it had come back at
started.
you again. Oh, it's a rat.
Rat. The fuck?
These noises
Sounds
are...
like a. Oh, it's a no! The poor rat!
Are we sure that's a rat?
No!
Wasn't paying attention, so did you just unzip out of context as me laughing? I mean, I think that you got the perfect context for it. Can you interact with that barrel?
Hide! I can unhide by hiding.
No.
No, but I can interact.
Oh, maybe
with
that's fuel. Yeah. Petrol oil.
petrol.
Can fill your lantern with fuel. Press tab to combine to refuel.
Pastry, did this game cost you money?
No, it's a
this
demo.
was a free demo.
Thank God.
You think
Can you
I'm
open
spending
the-
money on demos?
Can you open the drawer?
No. I feel really sorry for that poor rat. Okay, Ball, take us home.
To lead the way.
There's some
Imagine
mouse
if
down
that
the
thing
end of the
exploded.
corridor who thinks it's like Indiana Jones. Like, oh fuck!
It's getting less comfortable.
Pizza!
You get pizza though. That's some flat-looking
Can I-
pizza.
I mean, pizza is flat, Maelstrom. What the fuck?
Well, I mean, it's not like that. Toppings have like depth. They sit off the pizza.
Yeah,
What's that?
fancy land. Jesus.
Yeah. Well, don't you smush your toppings into the dough and then cook it like that?
I insist on all my pizzas being completely level.
With a spirit level.
Mm-hmm.
Or what is it Americans call
If I
spirit
have
level?
to shave it, I will.
We had this conversation.
What?
What do you call the thing that's like you use to check if like a shelf's level and it's got a little bubble in it? Is it bubble level you guys call it? I
Oh,
think?
a leveler.
A leveler. Okay.
Maybe. I don't know. I never thought of...
Whoa, look at that Z fighting. It's going crazy.
Holy shit!
Fun video game developer fact, if you want to know what that is. That's two textures on the same depth plane that are freaking out, trying to get on top of each other.
What the fuck is that? Guys, mannequin?
Yeah, that's a mannequin. You wouldn't set up the
Mannequin?
shadow
Okay.
like that if it was a real
Here's
person.
the thing I've never
Yeah.
understood about Zed fighting, right? How, if all right, they're at the same plane. That's fine.
doll.
So
Same-
why
same
is the
difference.
game sometimes letting one win and the other one win?
Yeah,
makes no
it's a
sense
good
to
question
me.
as to why it doesn't like just assume one. I think it might be due to like your camera's position, maybe. Oh, they're
That
mannequin
looks
legs.
like the fucking soup that you made in the forest, the first one. What's
Oh,
this?
kind of looks a lot like the soup I was making in the
That's a
second one
key.
as well. To be honest. What was it called again? The soup is like Gary or something.
Yeah.
Wow, why is that key so high def compared to everything else in the game?
No! Some door!
No,
You think that
probably,
door's the end of the game?
probably where that rat was.
The fuck?
Back
No,
where
I
the
got
pizza
an
was.
objective to go... Well, yeah, the pizza door. There's a door right next to the...
It's pretty good. Oh, I saw her hand.
Did you
Did you
see
see the
that?
hand?
I saw a spooky hand! You play basketball with me!
I'd really love it if you threw the basketball around the corner and you just said, "Oh!" You go around there like dead. You won.
Oh! Did you see the scraggly legs of McGoober over there?
No, I didn't. That,
Sorry. Unlock.
I'm not gonna lie, the jump scare the game provided scared me less than pastry scared me.
Ah!
Throw the basketball to him.
Meat! You want to play? How is this guy
You
not
think one of
shitting
these
his
guys
pants?
is gonna get up? Are they all
they?
turning
No.
to face you? Did you?
I thought for a second they were all 2D textures, but
Yeah, I did as well, like billboards. Don't let it take your
Take-
skin, I assume is what that's
No,
supposed
that
to say.
definitely
But it
says-
definitely says
no, it
don't take
definitely
let it your
says-
skin.
What else does it say? Or it will
Walk among
walk.
men.
among men. Well, lucky for them, I am no man.
Not with that attitude.
Actually, I think I don't know.
that's what it's all about, Maelstrom. It's about attitude at the end of the day.
Fake it until you make it, as they say.
Drink
Oh,
beer,
it's a
have a wank.
basketball.
Off you go.
Where's Roy?
Was that you? Did you say that? What is this place?
That's where the budget went then. That line of dialogue.
Yeah.
Why does it
I
sound
hear
like a gas
angry-
from Minecraft?
It just sounds like an angry dog to me. But I think it's just a radio. I'm gonna go out.
You need to look at the lady in the... Yeah, there you go.
She's lost her head.
That's probably a whole thing. Oh, you got
My
a
dog!
save spot.
Oh
She looks
shit,
pretty
you're
fresh,
right.
though.
Oh
Do you reckon
god,
this is
the
a
bug
safe room?
sounds. Here, take this.
Oh.
Oh no. No! Put it
Skinned
on!
off
They'll never
face. Go touch the typewriter before I have an aneurysm.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
I did it.
Show cursor.
Why?
I guess you can play with the things on it.
You can twiddle the knobs.
I twiddled the knobs. Let's save again.
I'm worried that you turned it off and it seems to still be making that noise though.
That's the sound of the flies. What's this? That doesn't say
This is
shit.
a haunted radio, Maelstrom.
Oh,
Oh, it does say shit.
I guess it's my turn.
I am sorry I can't do this anymore. I don't want to be part of this anymore. I don't want to be part of this cult. They woke something beyond their own capabilities. It keeps wanting more and more. I can't keep getting more victims. It's too much. Many have died because of me. I gave you my family. I gave you my son. I can't do this anymore. Do not feed it more or it will become human. But it's not. I'm sorry for this madness. I have to try and stop it. I have to. I own it. I'm sorry.
Damn, Nigel, what the fuck did you do?
Ninji said 5 minutes ago, I have managed to tune into a stream at work for the first time since I started a new job and this game doesn't seem fun.
Royce Conway.
See, this is the thing, like, when a game like this starts to get scarier and scarier, like, Pastry's sort of reaction would probably be, this is getting good now. Whereas for me, it's like, oh no, it's getting worse.
It's getting good. We gotta find Roy's clues. The name tag, the leash, the bone, and the harness. It's not letting me save again. Does this have to be on in order for me to save?
Maybe that's just like a checkpoint.
That's a one and done.
Yeah, not like a
All right,
save slot.
Turn that shit off. Well, looks like we've got to find Roy.
Are you doing your thing you do
next.
in every game ever? Are you going to take this fucking ball all the way to the end? Alright, go on then. Wow, you didn't get far away from that save point before it became a problem.
If I just stay in this locker and don't make a sound, he won't be able to find me. What the
Ooh.
fuck was that?
Did he just bounce my basketball?
That sound like pipes to
I-
me, but
I still hear a thumpy thump of the heartbeat, so I don't know when it's safe to leave.
this is just like the hold your breath mechanic from Deadly Prem.
It's still going. Should I just leave?
Fuck
Should
it,
I
go
just
for
go
it. You
for
saved,
it?
right?
Fuck it. Oh, he just bounced my ball back. Thank you, Ghost.
Wait, is there something on that thing, or was it like a weird light particle effect?
What on
No,
the
it's
on my
okay,
ball?
no, it was one of those little like snowdroppy sort of light particles. It was on one of those mannequin looking things. I thought it had an item or something on its chest.
Oh, the door got big oo fucked.
It did. I don't know why it made the sound of pipes, but
Hello?
I'm sure it's fine.
Is that 2B or not 2B?
That's the question. Where
I
am
know,
I
just asked
going?
it.
What's that?
Oh,
Hang on.
yeah, what is that?
Tubby Custard! Who is that?
I don't know, but that's like gone beyond just putting a black line across their eyes. That was like, draw a black ped all over their face.
So is this guy making a homunculus?
Oh.
Oh, the rat door's open.
Rat door's open. That's the pipe noise I heard. Is the rat okay?
Are you,
Is the
No.
rat a rat?
Yes. He got smushed.
Well, he didn't seem like he was in a great situation anyway. Maybe
Well, yeah, at least he shut the fuck
maybe
up.
it's a mercy.
Oh my god!
Press space to shout
press
for Roy
space.
on your microphone.
Roy!
Did you see that on the bottom right?
You can. Oh,
Is it detecting me right
can
now?
also hear you when you're shouting. That's what it said. Pastry, go into the options and just see if you can set the camera. Not camera. Sorry, what did I say? Camera. Microphone. No, I don't think so. It's whatever your default is. I think.
Oh. Well, I think my default is what is.
But it seems to
what's
be
on
like
my
half
head.
volume and freaking out.
Yeah, I'm wondering if
Yeah.
it's feeding back the game sound
Maybe or something. Yeah.
Oh.
and making it seem like you're screaming constantly. So this is going to end well.
I'm gonna die!
You might want to turn that
Well-
feature off and just use the space.
Yeah. Might be for the best.
Roy!
Roy, you in this bloody meat door?
Whoa, look at my fucking shoulders, man!
Door is
I'm
blocked
like
from
a
the other side.
businesswoman in the in the 80s.
Yeah, you got like power shoulders.
Mannequin. Alright, well this is longer than I thought. I thought it was gonna end at rat door.
You still got like 10 minutes
Where'd
on
my
your timer.
ball go? Uh-oh.
How are we getting through this super show so fast?
Because I set half an hour by default because we didn't think this was going to be very long. Mine was only going to be half an hour. But if this ends up being longer and Pastry wants to keep doing it, you're more than welcome to.
Alright, Nigel.
I did one
What,
last
is this
time.
the same?
No, that's different.
No, it's slightly different. Nigel Lee, do you want to give it a crack?
I just can't do this anymore. My nostrils hurt. I can't keep bringing more victims for it. I had no choice. I tried to justify that by bringing sick people, then people who were old, and then it kept wanting more and more until I had no choice.
He's gone.
And it stops. I can't do it anymore. I have to stop it. He gets very angry when
He's
I
gone
don't
into the
have anything
hitcher.
to eat. It's starting to take form. It's starting to look like human, but it's not. Whatever it touches, spread infection. And a mistake. Whatever it consumes can be a part of it.
Oh,
I
was it a
don't know
Russian?
what
I was
ill
stressed
is.
out, alright?
The more you feed it, the more it becomes one of us. Oh, don't. I have to stop it. I have to try.
Thank you, Nigel Lee. Put that shit down.
Hit you. Hit
Take
you overly.
ball.
Did you save?
I did.
Okay,
I
good.
did. It only lets you do it once.
Nostrils are great.
Yeah.
I really miss having them.
How were you pinching them?
Who is Schlamalamin?
Like, they shouldn't be gone.
Roy! Is that you, boy?
Roy!
Roy.
Is that you, Roy?
There's my ball.
Oh.
Wait, is there stuff in here?
Oh. Very dark.
Okay, so the thumpy bumpies are by default.
Right, Everton boys are just having fun
You need to-
down here.
You need to do the voice right, Maelstrom.
Everton boys?
Yeah, Roy.
There
The
you go.
Everton boys are just having fun down here.
I don't get the bit.
Well,
but
wait.
Oh, okay.
See, there's actually a bit of a delay between because I'm watching the mainstream instead of the live feed,
No.
and I got to hear boom, scream, and then I got to see why.
All right. Shit.
I didn't even push anything. It just went. That's my game.
All right.
There you go.
Oh, there we go.
So we have like a bit of a plan all for if it goes really too fast. I don't know how long your thing is, but we can always move on and just do a little bit of like free player lethal or something if we want. Just fuck around for an hour.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, well, my one could be relatively long.
All right, let's switch over to All for Leave. Calibration, thank you very much.
It's not. You're welcome. My mouse no longer works, so I think I have to Alt F4.
All right, All for Thee. And just refresh the thing.
I can hear it.
Wait, hang on. Let's refresh it properly. There we go. And turn your volume down.
Yeah, it's loud as fuck.
I had you on 200% to be fair, so. 10 dates again.
Oh, shit!
Yes, we are back. We were on date number, I don't know, what was it, like 3 or something when we finished last time?
That sounds correct.
There was like a stupid lady with book, there was a goth lady, and then a rich lady, and all 3 of them hated us.
Well, let's see how good this game's save system is when we dive back into turn dates.
I'm going to put you on
Right.
a 45-minute timer off of it. That'll bring us up to 9. Then we can finish off with a little something if we want.
Beer, candles, cocktails, lights,
Fairy lights.
Tony.
Audio got a
Ivan
little crackly.
Tony?
Audio will do that. You
Oh
just
my
have
god.
to bear with us, chat. It should sort itself out.
Feet pics!
Yeah, I guess I am. I'm Ryan.
Clearly, that's nice to meet you. Sorry, I've got a match tomorrow, so I've got to keep limber.
It's Ivan
She's a
Tony!
football girl.
What is it, a sports match? Do you play locally?
No, it's my job actually. I'm a
Yeah.
footballer.
Oh, shit. Should you be out dating the night before a match?
Oh, don't worry.
Are there
It's fine
rules
as long
against
as I'm in
that?
bed by 12. Don't drink, non-alcoholic, and don't have sex.
Yeah, there are
what's your
some
position?
like clubs have rules about.
Nice cowgirl.
Oh, hi. She's
Not
a
going
game
out.
old bird. Here we go.
Football position.
What do you think?
So you don't turn up to a match like hungover or
Tough
tired or
one.
whatever.
Just say which area of the pitch. I'll narrow it
Oh,
down
but
for you. I'm
bench
not good enough
warmer.
to be a goalkeeper.
I will say, as much as I don't give a shit about football, she seems like a nice lady. Approachable.
She does. She was very
Okay.
honest about her.
She
I
might
don't
be the
know
first
what
one who
she's
didn't
gotta
like
not do.
open up with like immediately being standoffish and annoying prick. So
Okay, so for this evening's purposes, once again, you two, my dick is your dick. So if you wouldn't mind telling me what you think is going to be my path to success.
what was the question again? What did she actually ask? Was it, like, where
Which
would we be?
position?
Which position we think she is?
Attacker.
Because a substitute would be really fucking sad.
That would
yeah,
be
I'd say
mean to
I'd say
say.
attacker. Sure.
Attack.
She
She was
seems like a
stretching her
serious striker.
legs. She's got to
Oh,
kick
sorry,
that fucking
the first
ball.
option. I see what you mean now. I was going to say. All right, here we go then.
You know, don't attack her.
I reckon that you are pretty skillful. So I'm going to say that you're up front.
What, you think I want all the glory? Got a big ego.
No, that's a
What
bit
the
of a
fuck?
conclusion to jump to.
I'm a defender. It's
For
not all about
fuck's
goals and
sake!
skills I have, you know. Defense is just as
That's fine. We
important.
didn't need to
You
guess
don't win
correct.
games with that, though, do you?
Well, you do. If you've got a shit defense, how are you going to win the game?
Yeah, if you say so.
Do you like sports yourself?
It's not my biggest interest.
Well, let me change
Okay.
the question then. Do you like team sports or individual sports?
What is this?
Something deeper about me.
Bully. I feel like no sports is just completely disengaging in the conversation.
Yeah. Maybe he likes darts. That's a sport. Maybe he does bullseye. And he's
I-
like, what?
I have no horse in this race, Pastry. What do you prefer sports wise?
I don't know.
Well, I mean, we can approach it from that angle, certainly, but let's not forget that the primary goal here, if you'll excuse the pun, is to secure the services of this woman after hours.
The
So,
services.
what's
Yeah,
the
why did
ideal-
you
Well, we're
word
not
it like
gonna
that?
get that.
What's the ideal response to
Why
this
did he
question?
word it like
Getting
that?
that because she's not allowed to do that before the big game tomorrow. Were you listening?
Yeah, but you know, the evening is but young. She may decide that
Team
we
darts.
are.
Team darts.
I like the sound.
Pick team sports.
Yeah, fuck it.
They're
why
more
not?
fun
Sports.
to watch.
All right, she's gonna think we're into threesomes. All right, this is good.
Team sports?
Gross.
I think there's an interesting element with like the fans because they're supporting where they're from. It just adds. They're more.
We are still
passionate,
talking about
so
sex, right?
There's like a tribalism.
Yeah.
to it,
No!
which is a bit fun.
When enjoyed responsibly.
I don't think there was. I didn't think we started talking about that, had we?
Unique layer of complexity.
Maybe I'm naive.
Nobody wants a hooligan.
Group rather than the individual.
Hmm. So the chemistry is important.
Exactly.
That was pretty smooth, wasn't it?
It's very smooth.
She's happy.
It's not your phone.
Oh
It's
my
this
God.
Reminded me to carb load for tomorrow.
What are you having pasta?
Footballer's best friend.
Oh my
What the
god.
fuck?
Halfway.
I suppose
line,
this
guys.
isn't like a.
3 minutes to go.
I suppose it's
But
not like a
Derek,
restaurant or
How did you
whatever.
become a pro?
You can just eat some pasta.
I guess not.
My key influence was my dad. He used to take me to practices. To
Is that just
matches.
raw ass, like-
Knew I
Called
fell
me
in love
off
with it and
sides.
it
Just
was
pasta on its own with
to
nothing in
my
it.
passion, the kit, the
Do you know what?
travelling,
While
the
this woman
soul
was
after bad
talking, this music was
performances.
playing in my head as well.
Close with your parents.
No, I wanted to ask you more.
We ain't got time, right, lads? Tell me if you want to.
Wait, what? What did she ask?
She said her dad was a big influence on her, I think. So she's probably asking if we have a big influence, maybe. Is it-
I
mean, I don't know this guy.
This is one of those. I know, yeah, he's got his own fucking life. The only person we talked to was our not sister girlfriend.
We are
That
trying
looks
to
just
get him
like
laid.
us. Shut up!
It doesn't matter about
pick
knowing him.
both.
We're trying to give the answers
Yeah,
that
say
will
both.
most lead
Just
to
say
a
both.
sexual conclusion.
Just
That
say both.
plain pasta, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I'm lucky to have a great relationship with both my parents. They're both great. Yeah, they have a great relationship, and they're kind of like a blueprint for the sort of person I want to be,
Oh my
the
god.
sort of partner I want to be with.
That's
What?
amazing. It's so hard to find people
What?
who talk about both parents like that.
Yeah, God, good parenting is definitely important.
It is.
I want to fuck someone like my dad fucks my
Let's see how
mum.
competitive you are.
Well, she had 2 bits of pasta and then put it away.
Yeah, what the fuck? And then she slammed it on the floor.
Okay.
She's had that box for 7 years, so-
We do an arm wrestle.
Oh, what?
We're gonna arm wrestle?
No, I'm kidding.
Nah, go on.
Yeah, I don't want to injure
What do you mean
before
I'm
the game.
kidding? You fucking said it.
Arm on the table, lad.
Also, I love the way he's like, I don't want to injure you. It's like, I think you're gonna get fucking demolished by this woman, to be honest with me.
Let's try our best. She's gonna
you
kick our
missed it.
fucking ass.
He missed a trick there. He should have led with his penis instead of his
What the fuck?
Bloody hell.
I'm just desperate.
Or I'm irresistible.
Oh yeah, she beating the shit out of us.
Yep.
Christ. I guess we haven't been single for long enough.
You want to say something? I can tell.
Wow, we
Yeah,
look so
Did
pissed
she
off.
ask
I want to put you through that fucking wall. Give me your arm.
We look so angry.
again?
Again. Right.
Yeah.
I think she
I want a
asked.
rematch. Right now, I know I can beat you.
Got 1 minute to go, guys. Just 1 minute.
Is that the best use of our time?
Yes.
Yes, come on.
I'm not
All
walking out of here being
I
beaten by
thought she
you.
asked us.
No,
And then we agreed.
she said, "Do you want to say something?"
Spit in
don't
her
you?
eyes.
And then
Oh.
you went, "No, I want a fucking rematch because I don't believe I lost to a girl."
Christ, you are strong.
Well, I did tell you I'd show
Yay!
you twice. You're stubborn, eh?
Yeah, well, great minds and all that.
It wasn't a compliment.
Now she hates us.
Yeah, you fucked that.
Move on to your next date.
GG pastry.
Good luck in your game tomorrow.
Thank
Cheers, Ryan.
you.
See ya.
I mean, she didn't hate us,
Could
but
I get
that
my
was
drink?
definitely the wrong end for sure.
Oopsie doopsie.
Bye, Tony.
Bye, Ivan Tony.
We went,
Oh,
"Oh, we've got
God.
1 minute left." No, fuck you. Arm wrestle me again. All right, here we go.
Who's this?
Why do we look so weird sitting down? Oh, there's no one there. That's why. This is the best one so far. Can we go out with this one?
I was going to say, this door's got more personality than the last one, so this is good.
Poisonality. Oh, are we gonna date Velvet Derek?
Oh, we've got a fella come to sit down.
Good evening.
Well, any port in a
Derek.
storm.
Evening, host.
Hello, Derek. Am I in trouble?
No, no.
Why the fuck did he whip out a microphone?
Unfortunately, the lady that was sat at this table.
Where'd you get your
she
suit,
had to
Derek?
leave early.
Tesco?
I'm sorry.
Right.
Yes.
So are you filling in for her? Did she pull a runner when she saw me?
No, nothing of the sort. She.
Right,
is
Pastry, we have a new
musician.
mission
Had a
that's
gig
going
get
to annoy you
Wow.
both
Yeah?
of
Fair, that's a
me, which
good
is
alibi.
Okay.
we have to get him laid with Derek.
And you're looking for.
Woo, Derek.
Oh, is she the last one?
Yeah.
Well, I'm kind of glad about that because I don't really know how many more I had left in me.
Well, I'm sure you made a fantastic impression.
What?
Oh, are we saying
the
like have we
question?
found someone or not? I'd say not yet. We haven't found anyone yet, really. have
Not
we?
yet. Mm-mm.
Yeah, no, I've met some great people, but I think it's just too early to tell.
Speed dating is just to pique curiosity rather than find love.
Why did they use the
It's just like a
wrong
little teaser, isn't
peak?
it? You just kind of just get to know them. And
do you mean they use
just
the
as
wrong
you're getting
peak?
there.
It's like tapas.
They use
I'd say.
when you peak
bit of
interest,
everything.
it's with a
Love
Q.
tapas, Yeah.
I love
Smart.
tapas.
Oh, right, I
I
see
do
what
have
you
to
mean.
call you out though because there's sometimes when the date's going well, and then just then I hear you screaming out.
I didn't actually see what one they put down. Did they do it with EA?
How long you been
Yeah.
hosting?
I have lots of hosting experience, but specifically the speed dating stuff, just at the beginning of lockdown.
So those were digital, I presume.
Mm-hmm. Correct. For me, finding love is the most formative journey of our lives, and I just wanted to help people continue that journey.
Yeah.
Despite the
All right, Derek,
Well,
you're
she's
putting
getting
on a
paid, right?
fucking
Having said
speed
that,
dating
there is
session,
no
mate. You're not
substitute
like
for meeting someone special in person.
not changing the world.
Have you ever had any marriages develop?
Yeah, we've had a couple.
He might
I find the
change our
50 quid
world.
that you gave me to
A
be here
couple
very
of
fulfilling.
babies named
Need to make
after
my
me.
bio. Pregnancy facilitator.
What?
Derek.
You really don't, because that sounds like something that would be on a T-shirt on a lad's holiday.
The stag do t-shirts.
This one couple, they named their
I've actually
baby
seen them
Dick in a
before.
suit.
I sell like hotcakes. So how did you hear about us?
I was duped into coming here this evening. I thought I was going out for a drink with my best mate Misha, and here I am. She's actually somewhere here. She's on a date somewhere. I don't know, but
Well, I love a strong male-female friendship. Do you prefer the company of women or men?
Excuse me?
come again.
Could be argued that
Oh,
Derek is
Men!
making the
Men!
world worse for
Men!
arranging
Men!
these
Who
speed
do you
dating
feel like you
events.
naturally
Yeah, truly.
engage with?
Dayton Derek.
Hey, men, we've yeah, go click the men option.
Oh, no.
I told you it'd annoy him.
Well, Misha aside, I would.
You guys
definitely
don't
find
play
easier to
well.
relate to.
Yeah, we
It's not that I'm uncomfortable
do.
talking to women.
Oh, interesting. That's just not what the feedback from your dates would suggest.
Listen,
This would be
Derek.
like watching me play Mario.
What does it say?
If you want to know.
What?
Except I'd be excellent on the platforming
I'm
king.
just messing with you.
Oh, he's
That was,
flirting. It's
a little bit
fine.
unprofessional.
I'm gonna get you back for that.
You can try. You are halfway, guys. Halfway.
You're not kidding.
Don't tell anyone I forgot.
Your secret is safe with me.
Yeah, like the
So
people
tell
on the
me,
table behind us who could
What's the
definitely
best
hear
way
all
to
of
approach
this.
all of this?
Well, aside from
Yeah.
being yourself.
Well, let me rephrase that. Do you have any less crap advice?
No, I don't. Sorry. The thing is, there's so many different types of personalities in here. One person's poison might be another person's paradise.
Yeah, that is a fair point.
Except for that,
Okay,
like,
I'll pose you this. Are you
crypto
looking for
bro
someone more
NFT
lively
bitch.
or laid back? Because that may decide what kind of energy you want to exude yourself. Now, both are brilliant, but
Derek
markedly
is
different.
lively.
do we want lively or laid back?
We're not trying to
Lively.
steer him towards what we got. We got another 5 to get through. Yet.
No, we're
We
trying
are
to steer
trying
towards
to
a
get
Derek.
him a date.
Yeah, Derek's right here, man. What do you mean?
Lively.
that would be Derek abusing his position of power.
Yeah, lively.
No.
Big lively.
There is a power dynamic here.
Lively. Lively.
I definitely want someone who is dynamic.
Maybe
And a light.
really good on behind the mic.
Maybe wears a shitty
Maybe wears
suit.
a
I love
shitty velvet suit.
suits.
Yeah.
Because that can
Cheap
just
jacket,
be all
looks like a
vain and
ventriloquist dummy.
toxic and- There's no harm in me being put in my place from time to time.
No, crack of the whip.
I never said I was into that. I was wondering, has hosting these made you an expert in romance?
What, like some
Looking at him,
love guru?
no. I
No.
don't think it
Come
has.
on, you must have more insight than the average guy. Okay, wait. Okay. Has it ever helped in your personal life?
Sadly, no. No, it's still very single. Why did you have someone in mind?
pastry.
Yes.
Yes.
Misha. I'd love
What?
to meet you. She's here.
Oh,
I can
thank
introduce
God.
you.
God fucking
I'm sure
damn
she's
it.
fab, but I won't.
I won't be interested.
Yes.
What's wrong with her?
Well, she's.
Knew it.
That's the most sexist thing I've ever heard.
No.
Learn
no,
more.
No, I shouldn't have assumed. That was silly.
Learn more.
Learn more. Learn more.
Hopefully he's like, fucking damn it.
And that was the end of 10 days.
No, learn more.
No!
And now
Learn
we'll
more.
pivot to, what was it we had? A Lethal Company?
Learn more. You have 30 minutes left.
More. Let us into that velvet suit.
So a lot for the queer community. So we do a lot of, obviously, speed dating. We do traffic light parties.
Dick City, let's go.
All sorts. Ready? Okay. It is your final minute, guys. Final minute.
Oh, thank Christ.
Sorry. What were we?
We were talking about your queer events.
Yes.
Hell yes, we
Yeah,
were.
you should come sometime.
Have you experienced any queer
I'd
events?
love to.
Love to.
I don't know, maybe see it as a safety net.
Someone get me a safety net.
Would
over
love
this
to
man.
go, Derek. Would love to.
Wait, Derek, you are so kind to invite us. I'd love to.
I'm getting way more enjoyment out of this than I should be from off of these
This
reactions.
is a great game.
You're hosting it, naturally.
Oh.
This is when that dude kissed me in that fucking, that slug
ladies and
man.
gents, is the end
All
of
those years
tonight's
ago.
event. I've been
And that
Derek.
other FMB.
Get home safe.
Oh yeah.
Hope you had a good time.
Wait, that's the end of the event? I thought there was like more people.
Thanks, Derek.
Nope.
I'm actually kind of glad that the musician bailed.
She was lovely. But I'm kind of glad too.
Oh shit!
That is totally against the rules for me to say that.
Is it also against the rules for me to ask for your socials?
No. At Dmore events.
Why is it like a commercial? Can I ask you your socials? Yes, it's at Dmore Enterprises Inc. If you
Yes.
dot org.
So what about you? Tell me about your speed dating.
Well, I might accidentally have become gay. I don't know how that happened, but
meeting for this day this musician, but she bailed. And then, do you remember the host?
Yeah?
Yeah, Derek. Is
he's even like
So I was
honed in on it.
And then we sat down, we just started talking.
You and Derek!
Yeah,
God,
he's
I
just.
love that!
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure you saw plenty of him as well. He's a cool guy. He's very, very suave.
So
He's very suave.
Maybe, yeah.
Love that for you.
Yeah, thank you. There
Thank you.
was Azalea.
Mm.
Yeah, she was something else. She brought her own kombucha. She had her own goblet.
Kombucha.
Goblet.
Oh, that was the golf girl.
With a crow on it. It's just very
Yeah.
different, but it was really interesting because it wasn't like any of the other dates I went on.
Was there chemistry over kombucha?
No. I'm just really not her type, I don't think. If you actually saw the two of us side by side, you'd understand.
You don't like kombucha anyway.
Fizzy.
What actually is kombucha? I don't fucking remember.
Now, let me tell
No,
you.
no, no.
about Tony.
Alcohol.
She is a football player.
Wow.
Okay.
Professional.
Oh,
Wow.
Ivan
She was
Tony.
just quite laid back.
And I got like really
sort of
weird about her
person
being
who's, like,
an arm
you
wrestle.
can get, you know?
That sounds
Yeah.
fun. Do you think
Because
you
I
might be-
was socially confused and I thought she wanted to keep arm wrestling, so I did, but it turned out she didn't want to do that, and now she doesn't like me.
I don't think she was really feeling me.
Too busy with football.
There was Kathleen, who was a PhD student.
Is that the
in
boring girl?
psychology. She was she was reading on our date. She's very
Well,
smart.
that
It was
narrows it down.
intimidating.
Do you think
Was that the
It
boring?
was very
girl?
rude, actually. in terms of-
No, I don't think so. I don't think I
Yeah.
quite
No, like the
reached her
really boring
standards
girl.
in terms of what's going on between my ears. I just don't see it happening.
Well, you won't be for everyone.
There was Brandy. Let me tell you about Brandy. My God, she would put you to shame the amount of work she would do. She is a crypto trader.
Yeah, she was an asshole.
And she's studying.
Oh
as
my
well.
god.
Wow, what a combination.
I don't even know if she finds the time to do all of it.
Was there a spark?
No.
Hell no!
I mean, I sat down and I started telling her, you know, a bit about myself and job and everything, and it just, I could see she was almost like glazing over when I was telling her. I'm just not for her, I don't think.
Aww. So, what's the next move?
Derek.
I
Oh.
have one option. So I think I'm gonna send a message.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
What's better than
Yeah!
Oh no.
Woo!
No, God, no.
No!
We've got off of the
Hey!
on the path.
Who the fuck is that?
Oh. She went blurry.
Select your second dates. Literally one option. Oh, that's amazing.
Derek! Give me that D more.
Oh yeah, Derek.
He's so popular.
Oh, can you look for his deets? His pictures?
Yeah, swipe.
Oh yeah, heart his
There he
pictures. You'll love
is.
that.
Please hit heart. Heart.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah, do it for all of that's a thumb. Heart that.
Oh, that
That's a nice
coffee
thumb.
looks delicious.
How does that look delicious?
It looks bland.
It's
a white cup.
It's secured in a cup.
Oh, he's got
looking
he's got his
good.
headphones in. Yeah.
Has he?
Yep. Thumbs up for headphones.
Yeah, well done. Yeah, love that.
Nice
Next one.
sweater.
Ooh, microphone. We like those.
Oh, we do like that. That's an artsy shot.
This is some phallic bullshit going on here.
Please heart that.
Please have that. Now press that button. Yeah.
Send that invite. And there we go.
What does it mean?
Yes.
Oh, none is the other option. Right.
Derek, the master of ceremonies.
My sides hurt. Wait, what's wrong, Gibbs? Oh, he's just enjoying himself so much. That's what it is. I get it.
Derek, where are you?
That's it. Give off creeper vibes. Liking all his posts.
Did we just go to check our watch and we're not wearing a watch?
Oh, has he stood us up?
Could I get a half pint, please?
Derek, no!
And some cyanide.
Have you seen Derek?
Wow, this guy's... He has a phone. Why is he so
Ryan.
bored? Do something else.
It.
Good, not bad at all. How are you?
This is why
Derek,
it's
what
important not to
happened?
have hope.
I mean, tube was a nightmare, but
Aw,
on
the
plus side, if
tube.
there's any COVID, it would have definitely died off from the stench of BO.
Move on.
See,
Give him a pass
yeah,
on
I
this.
guess. Yeah, the tube sucks.
I don't think starting your date off by like grumbling about how late he is a good start.
Yeah, I'm scared that he'll grumble. I don't want him to grumble about being late.
I must admit, I was pretty surprised that you wanted to grab a drink with me.
Yeah.
Hell yes, baby
You
boy!
and me both, son.
Seems so bad.
No, above average.
Do you think?
Come on, no, I didn't mean that.
No, I thought we got on pretty damn well, so just wanted to see it again.
Oh!
Will we get you a drink?
Yes, I don't drink alcohol, but a mocktail would be great.
Yay! Do you like spicy milk? That isn't actually spicy?
I was thinking it, thank you, but I didn't want to say it.
Thanks. Oh, well.
Cheers to you.
To Derek.
What the fuck is that?
Ooh,
A drink.
sweet.
You don't want a pretzel, do you?
No, I probably won't touch those.
Yeah, I don't know.
Wow, this is going great.
Not so sure on the Shirley, but the temple's pretty good.
What's a Shirley
What's that
I
Temple?
don't know how to take that.
A drink?
Yeah, but like, what's in
I
it?
would say the main thing that I noticed
Liquids?
was your confidence.
Alexa, what's in a Shirley
and
Temple?
Your way with words.
Shirley Temple
Yeah,
usually
well,
refers to a
give to the gab.
non-alcoholic
Part of the
cocktail,
game, I
ginger
guess.
ale and grenadine.
Yeah, I used to
garnished
host
with a
all of the
maraschino
family Christmas
cherry.
game nights
The
when I was a
child's
kid.
drink,
And
served
then
especially
the
to
uni
a
Christmas
girl.
game nights. Listen, if you
Merry
ever need-
Christmas.
What you got? What you got to like nail down like that?
Can I take you up on that
Alexa,
now?
what's that all about?
But we need another player.
Well, that could be you too.
Ah, okay.
It's a ginger ale and grenadine that only girls would drink. It's like, okay, Alexa, Jesus.
Okay,
What the fuck?
I've got it. You may have noticed at the speed dating night there were these conversation starters, riddles
Yeah?
that were written on these little table number cards.
I don't.
Okay, so
Oh,
we're
were
getting
there?
riddles.
I don't remember any of those. Oh, did you see
Fucking
any
me
of those?
neither.
Perfect.
No.
Which month has 28 days?
Oh, February.
We know this.
You just
yeah.
have
Oh, all of them.
Top of your head.
Oh yeah, you're right. All of them.
Yeah.
This is a trick question, isn't it? They all have at least 28 days.
Oh, he's so
Very good.
impressed.
Clever clogs.
What can I say?
Okay.
Except the question did say which has 28 days,
Bear with
and not
me.
like more.
Bear with me. Have,
So,
a sip. You know.
bad trick
I'm
question.
gonna find one here. Okay. Fire up a search engine.
Don't shit
Don't
talk
forget to close
Derek,
the front, huh?
Maelstrom.
I'm shit talking to the question.
He made the cards.
No, he didn't. He got them on Google. All right.
No.
Take your time. I've got an encyclopedia of riddles up here. Do you
Christmas.
have a new one for me?
Merry Christmas.
Why doesn't Santa Claus have new children?
Even I don't know this.
I know this one. And it's not even a riddle, it's just a dirty joke. What?
What?
Because he only comes once a year.
What?
Yeah, okay, I'm sorry. Okay, no, like a point for you,
Terrible. Are you big on Christmas?
My best mate Mika
Yes!
drags me to every Christmas market every year, so I don't know if that answers your
Love
question.
it.
But
Love it.
they all
Love
excellent.
But they
it.
do get you into the Christmas spirit, can't they?
Wait, what did he say?
He said
Did he
the
say
Christmas
no?
markets are extortionate, but they do get you into the Christmas spirit. I can't lie, is what he said.
Oh.
So I think he's saying like he does like Christmas. I think.
Oh, okay. I love it. I would say love it. I would be honest with myself and say that Christmas is great.
Go for it.
I mean, I bloody love Christmas.
Same.
Yes,
I have
bitch!
boxes. I'm talking boxes of Christmas stuff. We've got mistletoe, fake trees, fake reindeers, the lot, lights.
Well, I have always aspired to cook a full Christmas dinner, from the starters to the main course.
Make a
everything
goose!
between. Oh, I know what.
I've never had a goose.
I could make an eggnog, non-alcoholic.
Me neither.
Just for you, with your name written all over it. You could swing by.
I mean, I like the idea of eating a goose
I
because
love
like they're
eggnog. I
assholes,
love
so it's like
Well,
revenge.
It would
but
still be good. I'd still put all the spices and everything. It would be
Sounds good.
chef's kiss.
These
Okay,
boys
your
gonna be
turn.
married by
I'm in the zone.
Christmas.
Right, okay. A man.
how do you feel
goes
about
out
that,
of town
Orphaly?
on Sunday. Stays in a hotel.
Ortholy has left the building.
And the next day, he went out of town on his horse on a Sunday.
Wait, what the fuck? What?
Man rode out of town on
How's this
Sunday, stayed a whole night in a
You're trying to trick
hotel,
me.
and rode
This
back
is
to
a trick
town the
one,
next
isn't it?
day on a Sunday.
I'm not saying.
This is one of the ones
How is that possible?
where the answer is in the question.
My lips are sealed.
Rode out
On
of town on
Sunday,
Sunday, stayed a whole
on-
night in a hotel, and rode back to town the next day
It's-
on Sunday.
The horse's name is Sunday?
It has to be,
Yeah,
yeah, or
is the horse's name.
yeah.
Yeah. I knew it. It is in the question.
He's so intrigued.
His name's Sunday.
Very well earned point, I must say. Well done. That's a tough one.
Not too tough.
It's a little fewer
into the
tough when they
encyclopedia
give you a
next time.
multiple choice answer and there's only
Yeah.
two answers.
Okay, sorry. Look, no, I'm just deciding. my
You would
next-
make an awful event host. I mean, you need to be quicker with these
We
things.
haven't talked
Like a
about
wicket.
math all night, so maybe wordplay. He'll be good at that.
Yeah, who'd want to talk about math on a date?
Yeah, fuck that.
Better wordplay than foreplay.
Okay.
It's gonna lead to foreplay.
That's later.
yeah.
I'm heavy. Backward. I'm not.
What the
What
fuck?
am I?
Forward.
So forward
Backward.
heavy, backward not.
Boobs.
Is he stumped? No, we don't do that
I hate to
here.
admit, but I'm stumped.
We stumped him.
You sure?
Mm.
You giving up?
Yeah.
A ton. Forward, I am heavy. T-O-N. Backward, I am not. N-O.
Oh, but that's not fair. I mean, I'm dyslexic, so it's just it's the spelling models, they
Aw.
don't work for me. And
Now we
Such a short
know.
word, though.
don't make fun of him!
It's just that I can't
What does this
see
mean?
how the word is written.
We want to learn about
In the
him.
middle,
We're not
so-
gonna
Yeah,
like.
I think if you offer him a point, you're pitying him, and he probably wouldn't like that. Learn more.
Yeah.
Show some interest.
Has that ever held you back much?
In school.
A dyslexic man is trying to bang me in
Yeah,
a bar.
I
I'm
was
getting
representing-
PTSD.
Hey, it's just like Rob again.
I got the R and the T mixed up. So anyway, the teacher thought
As long as
I
he
did it
doesn't
on
break,
purpose and got detention.
Break your leg or whatever.
Yeah, it was not great.
So the whole poem was about a silver bitch.
Yeah.
To be fair, silver bitch sounds like a much better poem. so.
No, I think so too now. Okay, I have just the riddle to finish. Man weighs 100 pounds, plus half his weight.
What?
How much does he weigh?
What, do they put the pound symbol like money?
That's not very hard.
He weighs 100 pounds.
Man weighs 100 pounds plus half his weight.
150, isn't it? 100 plus 50.
No.
I don't know math, though.
No. 100 plus half his weight. If half his weight was 100.
What?
That'd mean 200. Just think about how it's worded. A man weighs 100 pounds plus half his weight. You're assuming that you're then going to add half of 100. But what you want to do is add half his weight. So if half his weight is 100, then it'd be weighed 200. You get it?
But it says he weighs 100 pounds. I'm so fucking...
Trust me, it's 200.
I'll trust you.
It's 200.
No, so a man weighs 100 pounds plus half his weight, yeah? His weight is like X. So 100 plus half his weight, X over 2 equals his weight, X. So you multiply the 2 out, you get 200 plus X equals 2X. Bring the X over, 200 equals X. He weighs 200 pounds.
Fuck you both!
Wow. Okay. I am so impressed.
I mean, the way he worded that was like
That's
insane, but
Kids, I'm not reading that!
hang on.
Give me a final round.
His weight is not 100 pounds. His weight is 100 plus half his weight.
Maybe think
No,
about
I'm
what
not
you
gonna
want
do
to
that
ask
whole
me. beyond it.
Whoa. Love.
4, haven't you?
So basically, pastry. I'll give you the long and short of it. It couldn't have been 150 because that would mean his weight would have had to have been, not that wouldn't have worked out. Do you get me? Like you had to add 100 to 100 in order to get 200.
That's fucked up.
Yeah, 75, as Lizzie says. Riddle about sex. Let's get in there.
And I want a riddle about love.
All right, go on, love. I concede. I'm letting pastry steer this boat.
Who? Really?
Choo choo.
Yeah.
We're not going to have a debate about sex and love?
Do you want us to have a debate about sex and love?
Yeah. Because that will pause the game.
I think if
I think
Derek
it depends what your
is
end goal is
anything-
here, really.
Well, Derek
Pastry wants to
is
get married at
anything like
Christmas.
me.
I want to see if there's a cutscene that's going to make awfully uncomfortable.
I don't necessarily want to make anyone uncomfortable, and I feel like a sweet boy that is trying to get people to fall in love and speed dating, and he drinks drinks that are not actually spicy. He's very sweet, and if you joke about, he seemed to get a little offended by the Santa Claus joke earlier, but he also liked Christmas. I think we should talk about love.
Yeah, go nuts.
I have married many times.
That was a hell of a debate.
But I'm single.
Thank you.
Try. You didn't say I have been married many times. It's just that I have. So you've married other people, haven't you? A priest.
You're too sharp.
What made you want to ask me that riddle?
Have you ever fancied being a priest?
Yeah.
No!
Another time.
No, look, marriage is the obvious question based off that riddle, but I am curious, how long have you been single?
Not long, but like the majority of my track record, it was a short-term misfire. You someone that likes being in a relationship, or do you like being single?
I feel like a lot of people would choose the former.
What is
I bet
music?
people with bad relationships, so more just because they wanted company, no matter whose it was.
Mm.
Oh,
Do you rather be
that's
single or
Just
in a
creep me out
relationship?
in ways that I can't even fucking describe.
what?
Oh, no. I think, don't get me wrong, 100% there are people who just don't want to be in a relationship whatsoever, but I feel like most people probably want to be in a relationship if it's a good relationship. Like, if you're getting all of the positives out of it, then great. If it was, terrible, then I'd say single, but that'd be, well, I'm in a terrible relationship. So,
Yeah.
I'd say the romanticist in me says relationship.
I guess. Just as long as it's good. I hope
I feel like saying you prefer to be single
good.
just sounds like, you want to be alone and sad.
Standoffish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm really looking for a connection because I think a relationship is the last missing jigsaw piece in my life.
Yeah, but don't put too much pressure on yourself, you know. I don't know, I feel like that sometimes repels what you actually want, you know?
That was a weird answer to that, but okay.
No.
So you're
Oh, dear.
conveniently forgetting the host's role of scorekeeping.
Oh, okay, I lost it, didn't I? Okay, fine. Well, what's the forfeit
Oh.
then? You know, I don't know. I could pay.
I'll get the champagne.
Hey, steady on.
And I'd love it with the sparkler as well, please. If you could just bring it out to me, that'd be
I don't
fantastic.
know these kind of social rules.
I would insist on splitting. Personally.
Yeah, me too.
Because the thing is, like, worst case scenario, right? You insist on splitting, and then they're like, no, I'm getting this or whatever, and then you could just like back down. But you tried, so I always insist on splitting.
Yeah. Okay. Let's split it, and hopefully that's not offensive.
No, seriously, look, the bragging rights are more than enough. We can split it.
Well, that's very sporting of you, Ryan.
But you better believe I am going to brag, though.
Oh, no, I mean, totally. That's permission granted.
You still don't fancy the champagne? I can't convince you.
You still ever want to see me again? Like...
Yeah, they had a great time.
Yay!
Third date.
And then we jumped off London Bridge.
Well, I had a really great night, I must say.
Yeah, so did I. And I got your hosting services for free tonight.
You did? VIP treatment. How'd you get away with that?
Everyone in the chat just kiss.
How are you getting back?
I'm gonna get the tube.
Same.
We could go together.
Yeah.
Success.
I love how we've just sucked all of the fun out of this game properly. He was like, oh, we got so many more dates to go. 10 dates.
Commentary, please.
It's all just gone
One
downhill.
mattered in the end.
Scrolling back. Oh.
What? What was that scene?
I don't know.
All right. There's more like it. Oh.
She's gone.
Third date.
Oh my god.
Is literally the only story beat we've unlocked.
Ooh, wish me luck.
Good luck.
I think you could have had the second date with the football lady as well if you hadn't arm wrestled her. I think you like put the nail in that coffin pastry.
I was not trying to
Hello,
sabotage
Derek.
that. I
It
really
is
thought she
Brian.
fucking wanted to arm wrestle again.
Yeah, great to talk to you as well. I was wondering if you would be free sometime this week. Maybe we could get some nibbles or, you know, a drink or something.
Even this guy's like, what the fuck did I just say?
Yes. And you're down for the nibbles?
He doubled down on nibbles.
Sweet, okay.
I mean, you
so
have to at that point.
I
You already
will
said it.
Send you some
Gotta own it
details,
now.
And then I'll talk to you soon. Yeah. See ya.
She's like, we were supposed to end up together in this story and you fucked it.
Yeah.
Somehow you've ended up gay in all this. I mean, I guess he's bi, but
I mean,
now he's
given
got
the
a
option,
preference.
If that was where this was otherwise going to end up, I think, yeah, you know, on balance, we probably took the right decision.
Tiny little table.
What the hell is this place?
You're not gonna eat from there. You're gonna have to pull the plate up to your chest. You'll be like cutting stuff off the.
All these make up for it.
What do you mean?
What is it? He got us nibbles?
will.
He brought us his
Sorry.
balls.
He brought us some Ferrero Rocher.
Definitely forgiven.
I did not get them from a vending machine.
Ferrero
These
Rocher.
Ferrero Rocher, he's really spoiling us.
No drinks. So
It's an advert,
should
basically.
we order?
Yeah,
Oh.
let's
Wait.
Woo!
Thank you.
Hot damn. That's right.
actually have a proper date after. Well,
Ferrero Rocher is in the tier of like.
Oh, yes.
Oh, we got like a charcuterie board or whatever it's called.
We got a bowl of olives. Do you guys like olives?
No.
I fucking love olives.
I fucking love olives.
I'm like, I'll eat them if they're on like a pizza or something, but I'm not mad about
My
them.
family have proper TV dinners.
What,
They're a bit
green
weird
or black?
taste.
Or both? Or neither?
I don't think I've had green. I've only ever had like.
Who just
Hate olives,
Green are
love
very
cheese. I'm with
different.
you on that.
wherever they go.
Wherever.
Ariel.
No matter
I
long,
love
short.
both. I love all three because there's two olives. And,
I don't
well,
like
say
the texture.
There's lots of different cheese.
I'll tell you what.
Oh.
They're kind of
Why don't
like
we
when I bite into them, they feel like I'm biting into
What? Just like some
something
random
abrasive
songs
to
we
my
like?
teeth. I don't know why. It's weird.
Are you
When's
eating
that
them with the pit
reminder-
still in
No,
them?
no.
no.
They're almost like dry to bite into. I don't know how best to describe it.
Not devastatingly abrasive. I
didn't say they're gonna shatter my teeth.
I have a lot of different genres going on here.
Is he
So
looking for
these
his
guys
music?
are talking about music now.
No.
What is reggaeton?
No.
Reggaeton. Fuck.
Lizzie has a fun fact about olives.
Oh. What?
Reggaeton. Is that what you like? Fucking sci-fi Bob Marley.
Just this transformer.
Wait, what the fuck does
Here,
it
Mom.
say?
Reggaeton. It's not reggaeton.
Reggaeton!
It's reggae music.
So just reggae.
It's just the proper name for it, yeah.
I didn't know that it had a full
He
name.
turned it into a fucking like Transformers bit. It killed me.
I have never seen that word in my life. Is classic romantic and then I don't know. I don't know what these guys like.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of.
I'm leaning
I always
classic
find,
'cause-
and I don't mean any offense to anyone in chat here, but I always find people who like go to try and talk about music and then go on about classical music very pretentious.
Oh.
Personally,
I mean, it's nice.
yeah.
It could be romantic. Because reggae, I'm not trying to be offensive, but I know reggae kind of, there's a lot of that, like, you listen to reggae and you do And Big Smokey. This guy
I don't
does
think
not
that's.
even drink,
I don't think that's
so
being
I don't
offensive.
know.
I think that's like a core part of reggae. To be honest.
Okay. I don't know
Well,
the
'cause
ins and outs
the
of
music's
reggaeton.
not very good, but you know you get this false impression because you know.
I'd
There
say
you
go. I'd say go classic. They've got a cheese plate for fuck's sake.
Sure, go nuts.
Okay.
And if he likes it, he likes it, and if he don't, he don't.
Classical. Interesting.
He hates it.
Okay.
What the fuck is this
What?
option?
What's the story behind this?
A story is my grandfather likes it, or I needed anger
I
management.
think grandparents.
I would say
probably-
go for the grandfather.
The grandparents probably. the way
Jesus
to-
Christ!
This song reminds me of my
I
grandmother.
need to read what Lizzie put here.
Wait,
Which airline?
did it
saved
say
you with a
mother or
piano?
father?
This old radio.
She was a
and
piano.
Whenever you would visit her, she always had classical music playing. She had it in her living room.
Chat GPT.
She was pretentious as fuck.
Said American Airlines famously saved money by removing just one olive from
Like,
each
the
salad
corners were
served in
frayed,
first
the area
class.
was like hanging off and everything, but she always had it playing. So
What the fuck?
when she went to the care home, she took the radio.
Legolas.
And
Oh yes,
there-
Maelstrom clearly hasn't
that
truly
the radio
indulged in the
playing,
work of Mozart, Sonata, and
when
E
she
minor.
passed away in her sleep.
Hmm. He put clearly joking in brackets.
Oh, we.
I actually have.
Of course,
the
you're
radio
clearly
now, which
joking.
is
E minor.
nice.
I mean, that's such a lovely memento to have.
Yeah,
My
only,
favorite is
only R.
E
Kelly
flat.
sings in E minor.
Oh yeah, vintage. I mean, like if I wanted to go buy one in the shop now, it would. I don't know how much it would cost, but
I haven't listened to a word they've said in a while.
His grandma died,
So lovely.
Oh, he liked it.
and we really
Come on, your
spoke
turn.
to the
Yeah.
soft spart
The soft spart.
of Derek's heart.
no pressure.
The soft spart of Derek's heart.
The Paul Blart Mark.
If he blasts Reggaeton,
Oh
Yeah?
yes. I like the energy. This
There's a hell of a
this has to be
speaker on
happy
that
memory.
phone.
Yeah.
Your
It's,
jam.
my first time going to Pride.
Also, it just sounds
And I
like
was just
the transitional music of this game.
on the stage, dancing, and everyone was joining. This song was playing, and it was amazing.
It sounds like a lot of fun.
And indeed it
Really
was.
really was. Would you ever do drag?
Why? Do you think it would suit me?
Sure. Why
Yes.
not? I mean, it suited everyone that I've ever seen do it, so why not?
Yes.
Yeah, fuck it.
Yes. We've got to watch The Birdcage someday. That's one of the best movies ever made.
Yeah. I have experimented before with my mate Misha. She
I love how we just changed this guy's like entire life
His whole life.
every time we pick an option.
Kind of like it just gave me a different energy.
Like, would have said no. He's like, no, I've never done drag and I would never do drag. How dare you?
Yeah.
But we'll say yes, and he's
Look
like, oh
how
yeah,
happy
I've
and
definitely done
confident he
drag
was.
before with Misha.
Kind of not really for me. Just more comfortable.
Who I'm
on my own.
definitely not ever going to date.
Yeah, but I mean, maybe you just need someone to take you on the journey.
Well,
Go on the
I
journey,
am
my
a
dude.
Never say never kind of guy.
I am gonna hold you to that.
Please do.
Okay. What next?
Regatron.
Quite the eclectic mix so far.
Regatron. Dubstep.
What do you got?
What is Tropical House?
I'd probably. I don't know. I don't know about dubstep, man. The dubstep's a very specific period, I feel.
Sounds delicious.
Yeah.
Dubstep's
I'll go to the
for a lot of
Tropical
people kind
House.
of just noise, I feel. Maybe Tropical
Yeah.
House. Is that like house music but with like steel drums?
Ooh, I like it.
He likes it.
What does it remind you of?
The fuck you mean, video games?
Does it remind you of peace or video games? Peace?
They are mutually exclusive. I didn't even get a chance to really
Didn't
hear it.
really
I just heard
remind
a
me of
couple
video
drums.
games, to be honest.
No, it didn't remind me of video games. Look at Peace.
It doesn't really remind me of any specific memory. It's actually a track that I would go to
Oh, this is the theme to the game
most days just to kind of like unwind.
Is it?
Yeah, I love
from the
it.
main menu. Yeah.
Can you send me that? No, I just want to stick it on my meditation playlist.
You meditate?
Yeah, 20 minutes every morning.
New lore
Yeah, I
unlocked for
feel like it's
Derek.
vital for me to have just a couple of moments of stillness throughout the day. I think
Also, I
stress can
fucking
easily
hate video
creep into the subconscious if
games.
you're careful, you know?
And it kind of would just build then otherwise, wouldn't it?
Exactly.
I do like that you appreciate the quieter moments as well.
Yeah, I do. Anyway, my turn again?
No, it's going to put on.
Oh, God.
You're like, does it remind you of video games?
Here we go.
What is it?
Is that a sea shanty song?
Yeah?
What?
Guess
Oh.
whose voice that is?
Is it him?
Is it you? Oh, piss off.
That's you. That's me.
Oh,
Wow.
piss off.
You have an amazing voice.
Yeah? Oh. Yeah, I kind of got caught up with the whole sea shanty hype during lockdown.
What?
And obviously no work going on. I thought,
Is that
What,
hype?
did you miss that?
Yeah, I missed that.
I mean, as far as distractions go,
was a whole
it's a very
thing.
productive one.
I don't listen to like
Thanks.
popular trends in music basically.
Yeah, it wasn't just the boredom for me.
It was a big thing. Yeah, well, on like
Obviously, you know, I
TikTok.
don't drink alcohol, but it's not.
I
the
don't
only
have TikTok.
substance
The
that
camera
I've
is slowly
had troubles
zooming
with
in.
the past.
Or like any social
That's
media.
why he doesn't drink! Substance abuse, that's why we should.
No,
I'm
no,
glad
no,
we
it's-
didn't play
Look,
Regatron.
and I am totally sober. I really am.
Regatron.
But yeah, during lockdown, I kind of fell off the wagon in a big way. And
Pushed him into a relapse.
I've been on my own, and I don't know, I just
God damn it!
kind of feel like it was my only way out. You
I
know?
want to go back and press that option so badly.
Much to say that the music helped save you.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's
Sea Shanty
quite literally
saved
saved my
him.
life.
Regatron
Yeah.
would have killed him.
For me, personal projects are always the best way to avoid consumption. So I started writing music, and then I learned to record and produce it on
Man!
a laptop, and then I just thought, why not release it?
Yeah,
Not
Derek!
that I have any fans or anything.
Until now.
Oh my god!
I really appreciate that.
Timmy B, happy birthday, welcome in.
Listen, I'm sorry.
Also
for-
Mage Ping, how it is well.
I just thought
Birthday!
I'd be open about it, and I understand if it's all a big red flag, but
Does
sure
it matter?
it really
Or I
matters.
don't know.
No, I'd say it
All
doesn't
behind
matter.
Doesn't matter.
People make
Cautious
mistakes.
sounds like it would be mean.
I know that nothing is ever.
What are we watching? Awfully brought this
I
like gay
care
dating
about your
game.
present.
I'm not sure why,
I don't
but
care about your past.
No, literally.
we're just
Tom
we're just
did
enjoying
this
it.
to me
I
at
am
Christmas.
99%
We're having a great
now
time.
I'm
sure
starting to see what he was doing.
I mean, look at you. You're glowing. Look at you, Derek. Stop. Stop it. I love it.
God, I should have saved this for Halloween.
Thanks, Ryan. I feel better than ever.
Yay!
So, last one. And actually, this time, why don't we play what your last played song was?
It was literally the one that I just played.
Oh, I hope you like some reggaeton.
No! We can't let him relapse!
Okay. Someone's down with the kids.
In mind more than body. No, I've always been drawn to more like youthful music.
Interesting. Would you say that you feel
started
young,
off playing classical music. What are you
or
talking
that
about?
It's just the music, and you actually feel older.
Do you perceive me as one way or the other?
Wait,
Sort of.
what's the question? What the fuck is the question?
I don't know. What did he ask? Chat, what did he ask us?
What the fuck? Guys, what the hell did he just
He said
ask?
something about perceiving him as younger or older based on the music or something, but I don't know exactly what it was he asked. I'd be more inclined to pick older, probably.
I guess, yeah.
I just think I'm a big kid. Deep down, like I'm just...
Really? I don't know. You seem mature and responsible.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh, well, you should see me and my mate Nisha together. I mean, honestly, most days I have to remind myself that I'm a big boy, you know, and I have a job.
Big boy.
And I have responsibilities and bills to pay.
Nobody knows what they asked.
Well, that was an inside.
I don't understand if that was good or bad. I don't know what happened.
I don't either!
You are a man who brings them out in me.
Yeah. I guess we should talk about that.
They're gonna kiss. They're gonna kiss.
We're gonna kiss. But feel that you are
evil on me.
Really looking to meet a man at the speed dating thing.
Yeah, I mean, but don't hold me to that.
No. I'm trying not to, but I can't help but wonder: are you just testing the waters here, or can you really see something?
Derek,
between us?
you were the
Because
best
I've just
date out of
been
all those
hurt by guys in the
bitches.
past who went
Long
open
term.
Long
about what they
term!
wanted.
It's
Married on
Long
Christmas!
term. Long term. Long term.
See, he gets it! He's just so nice!
I can't remember the last time I have connected with someone the way I have with you. I could see it. Maybe developing into something further.
In the
He's so
sequel
happy.
to 10 Dates.
I totally feel the same.
Yeah. Well, that's a relief.
Yeah, I'm really glad we had this.
Kiss! You've got to do it. If we don't, Arrow Llama will fucking riot.
My mouse is broke. What's going on?
On the date!
Whoa!
Don't.
Stop!
It's developed the Christopher Walkens.
Add permitted term, I will kill you, cowardly pastry. Amazing. Just click the kiss button. Just do it.
Kiss! Look how happy! Oh! That was a nice little. Oh! That was a 3-for-1 special!
Well, video games are over.
Alright, awfully, that's the end of your timer, but I think that might be the end of the game. Ryan and Derek are living loving life together. Moving in has been mentioned, subject to Ryan getting a better sound system.
Did we win?
Yay! Married by
That's
Christmas.
the Steam achievement I get, you son of a bitch!
What did it say? What was the achievement
God.
you got?
I don't know.
Best
I looked
ending.
away. God damn it.
I kind of want to see
Right,
it.
well, there you go. 10 dates.
Thank you,
Cheers,
Elagicola,
Tom.
for getting onto
Son
this
of a bitch.
game.
Yeah, again, I'm not sure why Alpha Lee brought the gay dating game. It didn't seem like the sort of thing he would have gone for, but hey.
Thank you for having us as your date assistants.
This song doesn't fill me with a sense of peace, I'll tell you that one.
Bull.
You know.
Bucket.
Looking at the Steam achievement list, I think you probably got the Debonair achievement.
Yeah, that was it.
Oh,
All right.
There
that
you
was
go.
beautiful.
I guess we missed out on a few particular cast members. We didn't get to see half of them, but never mind. All right, successful outcome, I guess.
Well, you know
Well, it's
what?
just called 10 dates, right? So
got
you
that.
there's probably just 5 people that you date twice.
I've only seen 33 out of 87 scenes.
Hey, look,
Holy
you
shit.
missed the option to show Derek your Regatron. But what do they think of you? That 100% confidence, 100% kindness, 90% humor, 100% charm. They love us.
Oh my god!
Well,
They were a perfect match for each other.
All right.
well, there you go. If you would have somehow smushed Pastry and Maelstrom into one body, that'd be incredibly gay. That's the conclusion we can reach there, folks. All right.
I'm going to end this
it.
stream together session because we don't need that anymore.
We don't.
If we're going to finish
Wait,
up
are we
with
doing...
a little bit of you know what.
Oh, I need to switch my scene on... stop camera and go to a new scene, because otherwise I will not capture
What did you
any
say?
audio.
What did you say we needed mod-wise to disable?
Oh, fuck me.
Mod-wise, there is a new update since earlier today, apparently. Too many emotes will be updated to 2.2.4. When that's done, I will tell you what needs dootin'.
Chat, we're gonna play a little bit of Lethal Company just for like an hour or so.
Yeah.
Maybe see if we can find the new monsters again.
Yes. Because Tom and I learned a lot. But
Well, you found the new
I'll just-
monster, but you haven't found the new other monster that we still haven't tracked down.
No,
You said that a bit like Matt Berry there. You found the new monster.
The new monster. You wouldn't
Right,
heal
so
a buddy.
on
This is
your
New York City.
on Goober on the
Goober
Goober Company profile, enhancer should be disabled by default.
Yeah.
And towards the bottom-ish, you should also disable mimics and lethal doors, and they're going to be right next to each other.
Right, you're going to have to tell me all this again. What profile was it? Basic mods.
Mimics and
Goober
lethal doors, I see
Company.
Goober Company. Right.
it. All right, you know what?
There
I'll
will
do
be
that
an
in a minute.
update.
It's updating, so I've got to wait. Oh, no, there
Yeah.
you go. Mimics and lethal
Update
doors.
all, yeah.
Update all, yes.
I'm going to start the game in modded mode.
Yeah, I'm working on that as we speak. Let me know when
Then
you're
turn
ready for the
off-
next. Mimics and lethal doors. That's a bit
Right,
towards the
mimics.
bottom-ish.
Goodbye, Lethal.
Because mimics, they either make
Oh no,
way too many doors
I left a
or
Bloodborne OST
not
going.
enough.
Close that.
Oh no!
I opened it up and it just auto started playing it.
Right, I've turned those two off, so that's it. Start modded.
Yeah, and then you should be able to boot it up.
All right.
I don't think they've ever done this 3-player.
No.
I know, yeah.
Pastry, I'm going to let you get me in the game. Like, if you get a lobby going or whatever, I'll join, and then I'm going to very quickly go
Yeah.
and get another drink and just go to the toilet. So, I'll sit in lobby.
Shall doot. Okay. Let me just see what save files I have first. Because I'm not sure.
So, the goal here should be new monster hunting.
Yeah, okay, this is just a fresh save file because Tom and I absolutely died.
He's going to make a new one.
Well, let me check if any of these, because none of these are outdated, thankfully. None of them have.
You may as
the-
well make a new one, because we'll have a no massive quota or whatever.
Okay, I'll just pick that one then. That's like the ship isn't even organized or anything.
We're only gonna
so
have to
I'll
make
just
like
go with save
130 then
files,
or whatever.
maybe.
We can fuck around and go to the new planets or whatever. Well, not the new planets, but the mid-tier
Yeah.
planets and try and
I'm
find
having
some.
to watch some big intro.
Oh yeah, you're in space.
Enjoy.
All right,
let me get rid of some of this stuff then.
I am appearing online.
Okay.
Am I supposed to do something?
No, it's like a story.
Just watch
thing.
it.
Yeah. That's for people like me and Pastry who went and screenshotted the fucking flashing text that came up or whatever and do all that
Author
shit.
V, your fucking logo on Steam looks exactly like the Ark Survival logo, and I thought Legola was you for a second.
Right.
Oh god.
I
Oh,
need
you're
to-
very loud. Please.
I need to deafen.
Yes.
Deafen. And deafen. Right.
Thank you. Oh my god.
Okay. I'm gonna sit in this corner then and just wait.
Okay.
So I'll be back
You wait there.
in a couple of minutes.
Okie dokie. Daisy Dukes, you wear 'em on your bottom, bikinis with soda pop. I don't know the lyrics to this fucking song. Hi, chat. Presumably, I'm just decorating. I mostly did it. I guess I should buy some stuff. And I guess Author D is still in Author D world. Let me do the push to talk in Discord so he can hear me. How are you doing, Author D? Over. Shit. Okay. Quit and try again. Oh. That's a good question, and I'm actually not 100% sure. I know when I logged in, it said version 60 is here, but I didn't take a mental note of the bottom left. Yes. Yeah, because the other one should have been disabled by default. The lethal enhancer towards the top, that should be off by default. Okay, yeah, otherwise it should be matched up. If you need any invites, let me know. Can you? Am I seeable? Available? Okay. God damn it! Just close it all down and boot it again from the mod. Oh shit. Okay. I don't know why it's not working then.
What's happening?
Author D is having a difficult time. They should be in the correct order by default.
Emote.
Well, not like all the way down, just because there's a bunch of other stuff at the bottom. Oh. Yeah, I got alt tab. Why do I hear a guitar? Okay, so what do you want to see, or? Yes. 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 Yep. Uh-huh. Checkaroo. Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep. Yes.
Oh, chat, I'm not gonna lie.
Yes.
I got hit with like a wave of
Yeah.
feels right there.
No. Oh shit, delete that. Uninstall that.
People aren't gonna get that,
I wonder why.
but That's from
Yes. Yes. Yes.
that's from Outer Wilds.
Delete. Delete. Well, now I'm seeing the problem. Yeah.
I did. Outer Wilds hit hard. That was a good game. Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, what did you say?
Oh, that
So
guitar
Lethal
you heard.
Snap. Yes.
Oh, sorry. Talking to Alpha Thee, not me.
Yes. Delete. Yes. 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 Yes.
Yeah, Outer Wilds is a fucking fantastic game.
Yes. Yes.
Just that song alone is
Now
enough
should
to
be good.
smash me with nostalgia. That made me feel a little emotional, that music. I'm not gonna lie.
You know what music makes me emotional?
But no, that guitar you heard, Pastry, that was from Outer Wilds. That was like the main
A
theme.
lot better when you don't give me duff information up front.
I'm sorry, I gave you enough information from the Regatron!
Regatron, fuck's sake.
Why are you Rio?
No!
I just put on Alpha Thee.
No, you didn't!
Literally did.
No, put on...
It's the one to the right of it.
It says
There
Ariel.
you go. What?
Oh,
Well,
well, maybe your
over
suits
there.
are out of whack, but you look like Alpha Lee to me now.
Oh, your suits are probably out of whack. Shit.
What do I look like to you then?
It's fine.
My suits are out of whack shit.
Yeah, what do me and Pastry look like?
Yeah, what do we look like?
You just look like orange dudes.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, I fucked it. I'll send you the
How about
correct
this?
suit pack later.
Now you're wearing clown pants.
Hey!
Oh.
9349.
What? Oh,
Oh, forgot
phones.
about that.
I forgot. 3210.
Wait, yours is really 3210?
Yeah.
Damn.
Shame
3,
about the zero being on
2,
the other end of the street.
1, 0. Ignition.
Ignition.
Big rocket go now.
Chicken ignition.
Picture was 3210, right?
Yep.
Yes.
And Maelstrom, what were you?
I was 9349.
Right, I'll put all that in admin.
Oh.
Okay.
What was yours?
Okay.
Sorry, yeah, 5372, although it is in admin.
That's alright, I just wrote it in my chat box on OBS.
So I ordered us 2 flashlights to start with, 2 nice flashlights, and well, remember how you were sleuthing about the intro cutscene that we've now all seen with all that weird info on it?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, it said something about a fence and a hole in the fence,
Yes.
didn't it?
I did see that.
All right. Well, why don't you go on the computer and tell us where your sleuth mind takes you if you want to go somewhere that has a fence?
Does Adamance have a fence?
Maybe a little less literally.
Wait,
Or maybe more literally, actually.
what do you mean, literally? What are you asking me to do, Pastry?
so-
Are you giving me a riddle?
Fuck it, I'll just do the riddle. Like me and my shitty riddles. Okay, we're gonna go to off fence.
Oh, right, okay. I thought you were asking me where I thought the fence was, not the one to put offense into the computer.
I don't know if that's less literal or more literal.
Fucking riddle again.
I can't. I don't want to give it all away. There you go.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Man, a little bit further back.
Suddenly
Let's see
became
how
on the
this
thing.
pans pans out. Because if it panned out the way it did for me and Tom, shit might get crazy.
Hey, Pastry, come over here.
Okay. How can I help you? What the fuck? Are you mixing milk?
Jar of dirt, apparently.
Jar of dirt. Don't leave home with that one.
Okay. Well, we need to wait for the thing to land, so I'm gonna stand on the roof. Because I forget where it lands. I think it's somewhere there.
He's got a banjo.
Yeah, I'm playing the Outer Wilds theme song.
Is that legal?
It's more legal than your California girls.
I mean, listen.
Where does this fucking ship go in?
There it is.
Oh.
When the ship comes in.
Alright,
Are you gonna man in the van? Or
don't
you
sing
wanna come with?
reggaeton songs.
Okay. Well, let's go, because that's all we could afford.
That really is an atonal bit of horseshit, but.
The background bit is like really.
I love it. Burr, burr.
I think it might be on purpose though, because like spooky
I
game
think it is.
make
Wow.
discordant music.
That's a big boulder.
Like a big pumpkin. isn't
How
it?
the fuck do we get around this
You don't have
boulder?
to. You don't have to do the jump, do you? You can just go. There's another way in, I think.
Well,
Holy sh!
goodbye. Oh.
I jumped way too far.
You both beefed it.
Help! Help! Help me! Help me! Help!
It's the platforming expertise. See you, Maelstrom.
God damn.
I got in between two bits. I'm slowly making my way back round.
There he is.
Oh my god.
It's a long walk.
Daylight, employee.
Well, I mean,
If you miss again.
I like did the jump over here, but I went in between the fucking fence and the rock. Yeah, you can just come up here.
What?
You don't have to do that jump.
I like doing that jump. I'm good at that jump.
It takes longer than the other one.
There he
You're
goes.
wasting our daylight.
Alright, let's.
Oh, shit!
My.
Oh, it's the new interior!
It sure the fuck is. Tom and I got this 9 out of 10 times we came to offense.
Oh.
So I think he really hit the nail on the head with fence just being in the name of the planet.
Oh, fence.
No fence.
Ah, I'm inside Maelstrom. Okay.
I hear bombs. Okay. This is the new. That's a turret. Is it gonna look? Whoop. Why are you playing the band?
Why not, I guess. Sometimes you gotta play the banjo.
Vibration noise. Cannot pull valve. Oh.
Yeah, it would.
What?
If the steam was on, we could pull it, I guess.
Oh, yeah, so there's a lot of turrets and landmines, it seems. And they're. Yeah. Oh.
No turret around that
Who's
corner.
dead?
No one. Just another turret around that corner.
Although you don't have a flashlight, so
I know.
I'll stick with you. I'm here to help! Yeah, that's a turret, but it's looking the wrong way. So. Where did he go? Uh-oh. Off of E? Yeah.
Wait, what happened to him?
He's being chased by a bug. Like a head. Okay. What is that ticking sound? Do you hear that?
Sounds like a clock.
I ain't ever heard no damn clock.
Hey, over there.
There's a control panel there. Over there, you okay?
Walked straight past that gun and it didn't shoot you.
I was stood behind it.
I'm just that good.
Huh.
Notice how Pastry took
didn't mean to throw
ownership
that.
of what I did.
Glory hog over
I'm gonna go down. Ah! Ah! Okay. Help me! Help me! Help me! All right. I mean, I managed to hit a landmine. That was kind of great. Wow, welcome.
I watched you die. Okay. Oh my god, how many slimes are there? Run between them.
Yeah, Flower. I could play the banjo now for the Outer Wilds theme.
Okay, because the exit's right here, and we can take our treasure back, and we can leave.
What treasure? You haven't got anything.
I've got my face in Maelstrom.
But Flower, I had no idea. I just pressed it, I played it, and then I was like, holy shit, I just got like a flash of feelings suddenly.
Okay, this way.
It hit me.
Oh, it's okay, so it's 4 o'clock, which means there may or may not be bad guys trying
Demons.
to kill us. Yeah.
Oh, I guess I did get a couple of bits of treasure.
That's, you hear that stomping sound? That's a giant.
I kinda
turn
do.
off, turn off your flashlight.
Pastry mansplaining the game door for the
I don't know. F. Try F.
like he hasn't got 20 hours in it or something at this point.
And they can't hear. They can only see. So just don't get seen. Okay, he's over there. What? Wait, did I say it backwards?
I don't know.
They don't have ears and they cannot hear, but they have eyes and they can see. So don't get seen, is what I'm saying.
Pastry got a sweet arcade stick.
Christ, just fell down a cliff.
I walked down a cliff. That's different.
Wow, my body's doing some funny stuff in off of these arms.
I got you, buddy.
I'm very proud of you for recovering his corpse and his flashlight.
No man left behind.
That's right.
I'm just happy I took the thing
Alright,
with me.
Put him down over there. We're gonna shut the
Get in the
door.
ship corner.
You hide there, and I'm gonna throw this gay egg. It didn't blow up, but it's fine. Let's recharge our flashlights.
Right, can we go home now?
Yeah, okay, let's go back into the sky for now. So that's the new level. That's the mines.
Brilliant. Yeah, that worked out well.
I think they're probably close to making quota already with like 2 bits of loot.
The crew out of the
I
van.
don't like it at all. The van is safety. The van is life.
The van is life. We got a D. Good job, everybody. Welcome
I'm just
back, Maelstrom.
glad I took that guy out with me.
My brother.
Hey,
Wait, what do
howdy.
you mean?
I ran over a landmine and fucking exploded that thing.
I got your flashlight for you, Maelstrom. There you go. There's your flashlight back.
Look at that.
I'm a valuable asset.
You are. So technically, there's no.
It's on a rock.
Can you sync with me? Do you play a different instrument? Oh, you do!
You're in the wall.
Oh, shit. You can't do me like this, game. That's not okay.
I wonder what the 4th instrument will be.
Yeah.
There's a couple of different. I think there's like 5 or 6. One will be whistling as well.
Well, whistle for us. Who? Yeah.
This is
I don't know
weird.
how the song goes.
It's got a kind of Middle Eastern, Midwestern vibe, this tune.
It's the main theme from Outer Wilds.
So,
Does everyone have access to that? It's just called Travelers on page 3 for me, but I didn't buy it.
oh, I don't know.
Yeah, I got it.
Let me check.
Yeah, sick. Yo, Mayo, an Outer Wilds-esque planet would be amazing. Oh, one like the DLC planet. Give me that.
I guess that's what the update was, huh?
Pastry, you gotta play that game at some
Anyway,
point. You didn't get spoiled from me playing it. That
own
game's fucking cool.
Yeah.
You really want that? I mean, look, it can't be worse than anything else in this game.
Inside of your face. I keep seeing the inside of your face on the monitor.
Alright, we going back to offense again?
Let's fucking go back to offense. Now, also, if you really want to, you could stay on the van and destroy turrets for us.
Nah.
Okay.
Let's get in there.
Hey!
Mix it up.
So yeah, I don't know what that intro was talking about. It said like their tunnels, they lead to a place out of here, away.
Maelstrom's
it's
still
like
dancing.
Of course he's still dancing.
Yeah, I think you can go a different way than the jump.
Well,
I think you can go this way.
let's have a look-see.
Then it's up here. Look.
Oh, that's okay.
Considerably easier.
I mean, I don't have a problem with jumping.
Yeah, but look how quickly we got hit.
Yeah, oh shit. My OBS is like going crazy. I hope the sound is good.
Oh boy.
Wow, that was synchronized as fuck. Look at that!
Whee! Hopefully it's less like turrets and shit this time. That'd be nice.
I feel like every time I've been there, there's been turrets and shit. I hear instant.
Could be a mine.
Oh, there's this piece of scrap over there.
It's great.
Oh shit!
Oh yeah, there's just landmines everywhere.
What was that? Oh, the door? It said keep out, and you just went right in.
I'm gonna put this down here.
The door's gonna tell me what to do.
I put the loot
That's real.
I put the loot I found just in front of the elevator for now.
Okay. But we also get, like, an actual true fire escape, which is very nice. What?
Turret around the corner.
Oh. Whoop.
Yeah, there's a turret like right behind this wall behind me.
Okay. A key.
Where'd Orphalee go?
Uh-oh, that's a good question. The boy doesn't have a flashlight. Oh, Denise!
Hello.
Where are you?
I'm where I am. I mean, what the fuck am I?
Oh, there you are. Hello.
Okay. That turret can see me from a distance.
Is there anything right over here? No. Okay.
Well, is there no power?
There is a control unit over here.
Work?
I don't know.
It did! The lights are on. Hi. Yeah, that turret's a real problem.
Why does it sound like someone's pissing? Orphalee. That was almost you. That sure was shooting at you. Pastry, we found caves. Do you want to come in Nutty Putty Cave? A what thing? Oh yeah, I see it. The voices sound insane on our end for your information. Has it gone all like crackly and weird again? It usually fixes itself after a little while, so.
Yeah, it gets weird.
It's just virtue of delivering this type of stream or whatever.
Dead end. Where did Alcivi go?
He's back there somewhere.
We have to help him. He's got no fucking flashlight. Uh-oh. Alcivi?
Ooh, a key.
Oh! I hear you! Where are you? Keep talking!
Oh!
Master
Thumper! Thumper!
Anthony, are you dead? Are you okay?
Pastry, I'm gonna take the elevator in a second to get away from this thumper.
But there's a car!
What did you say?
What is that sound?
It's-
Is that you running off?
No, there's a thumper.
No! No! I'm sorry, Anthony!
Pastry, it's right here.
Wait! What?
I'm in the elevator hiding from it. Okay. I gotta take it. There's a fucking spider. I mean, like, you say holy shit, man. I gave her like 4 fucking chances to get in this thing. What the f- What the fuck happened to it? His fucking bones broke. What do you mean? I gotta get out of here. You can't say holy shit, Mel, like I left Pastry behind. I went, Pastry, I'm hiding in the elevator. You better get to the elevator. Pastry, get to the elevator. Pastry went, meh! Pastry, please get to the elevator. There's a thumper trying to kill me. Pastry, there's a spider here now. I just fucking left, man. What would you have done? No, wait, it'll be a good clip. Horror movie moment. It is a good clip. I don't know how to get back home. That's not home. No, fuck off. Okay then. Alright. Well, we made quota. You left my cuz to die. I gave your cuz like 17 opportunities to get in the lift, okay? I don't know what else to do. Someone's gotta make it back to the ship.
I couldn't just walk back to the elevator because there was a coil head.
Well, I mean, what else? I couldn't have saved you from that. What else would I have done?
Oh, well, now it's flooded. Yeah, he had toilet paper and sheet metal. It was bad. You saw all that shit that was down there.
There was a thumper, a baby,
thing.
a fucking
The
spider.
real fucked up thing was, I did reach the elevator, but it wasn't there anymore.
I had to go because the spider was there already. It was in my face. Look, give me benefit of the doubt here. I stayed for a long time, okay? I fucking waited.
Alright, well, you know what? I found an emote that they made a Maelstrom emote. Did you know that?
Oh.
It's called mime time.
No, we see you. That's why you're wrong, because mimes and clowns are not on the same like spectrum.
They're cousins.
No, unless like it's like black sheep cousins. I mean, it's kind of. I've got some cousins like that I don't want to talk to.
Well, we're not staying on a flooded planet. We'll go to March because there might be a chance.
I saw the baby do a thing, and it cried, and then its bones like shattered, and then it got big and scary.
Oh, that sounds unpleasant.
Are jesters and clowns related? Yeah, jesters are like proto-clown. They're like clowns before clowns are a thing.
Oh, I lost my flashlight.
Hopefully you sliding in next to me is really good.
Woo!
There you go, Pastry. You can have this flashlight.
Thanks.
It's more room for loot.
Loot room. But I like being able to see.
I do also like being able to see, but half the time that doesn't save me anyway. Here comes Orphaly. Ah, good old reliable factory.
Well, I'm thinking let's just keep going to offense as long as it's not fucked up. He's still dancing.
It actually makes it less scary because you get like a third-person view.
I keep mine in first person for fun, though.
Oh, you mean the emotes? There's some of those when you do them in first person, though. It's like vomit, comet.
It's hilarious.
Oh, B-type engine. And a Bracken room. You got a kettle?
It's you. I got a kettle.
No kettle.
No.
Alright, I dropped him outside.
Where'd you go? Oh, careful, there's chirp chirp blobby booms. I don't know what a blobby, oh, that right there,
This one looks like a cream egg. Kind of.
Ooh. Cream egg.
Oh, Cadbury's cream egg! Wait.
I do. I can shine your way. Cream egg!
I feel like every time we play this game, I always say it got darker, but genuinely, it always feels like it does. Like, it's getting pitch black, man. I went all the way down this end corridor.
Okay.
Fucking so dark.
Did you say ugh?
I said, it's fucking so dark.
Oh, I just heard like ugh. Is there anything even in here?
Ugh, it's so dark.
Ugh, ew.
There's gotta be stuff in
I can't
here.
see an inch. What the hell was that?
Landmine, landmine. Landmine.
Right there. A server room. A door. A fire exit.
Ah! Oh!
What?
What the fuck?
He's picked up a baby.
Oh, you can rock him. Are you alright, buddy? Oh! No. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Guys, there's a
There you
thumper,
go.
just so you know.
Come back. Come, baby, please. Baby, don't be sad. Don't be sad. Don't cry.
Don't step on the vine. Okay, well,
Baby, protect me from him. Baby,
Is he dying?
help me. Ah! Fucking piece of shit. Leave me alone, you dickhead. How did I get out? Holy shit! I should not have gotten out. Fucking hell! Hang on. I got out, but I had to drop the baby crying. So watch out. Okay. I'm gonna go drop this loot off. I'm almost dead. I mean, I didn't piss off the baby. I actually calmed the baby down, but then I was too heavy to run away from the thumper. So you can pick that fucking thing up and, like, stop it from crying. Then I guess if you stop it from crying, it won't turn into the scary. I'm gonna just hold on to this egg. That could kill me. No, don't turn off. Switch. Alright, they're making their way out. I don't see the thumper on their screen. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can give him any help. You know? There's more loot. Oh, they made it. Hey, good work. Alright, come on, guys. You can do this. If I had more confidence in the fact that if I phone them, they're not going to get killed by a dog. I would phone them to try and give them directions, but... they look safe. Do you want me to hang up? I was gonna try and give you directions. I didn't know that could happen. I think you're going the right way, though. If the arrow on the map is what I think it is, if that's us, then you're heading towards us. If it isn't, then you might be heading back towards the facility if you go that way. I'm not 100% sure. He is now going around the side of a building.
There's baboon hawks. Leave me alone!
Wait, no, All for the Sorry is in the middle of nowhere. You're going around the side of a building.
Can you hear me? You went the wrong way!
He's just running. That man's just running into the distance. There's a giant near the ship as well. I think All for Thee might have fallen in the water.
Oh my god, there's like 6 of them!
Oh no. Doesn't sound good on the phone. Oh no! Are you okay? This is really distressing. Just listening to you die down the phone. You made it?
No! I can't see anything, it's too dark, and I keep sliding in the mud pit.
Right, well, if you turn slightly to your right, that thing you're looking at there, that bit you've been jumping against, that's like a little divot in the ledge. You might be able to jump on top of it. I can see like an outline of it. If you can't make it over there, you can go like you can turn left and go around maybe. That way. I can't see the quicksand for what it's worth. So okay, never mind. Well, an effort was made. That was a bit fucking rough. I had to just listen to Pastry die over the phone, man. I'm gonna be telling my therapist about this shit. Damn. It's fucked up. Poor Pastry indeed. Awfully, I think, just sailed off into the water, man. He was gone.
He died in exactly the same place.
Oh.
Literally the same bit of fucking shit.
You should have seen me getting away from that fucking thumper. I was having to run around a little steel beam to, like, divert him. I got out with a smidge of health left. So much little health left that I didn't want to drop my Easter egg, because it probably killed me.
Oh my god. Yeah, when you called... I dropped that fucking egg.
I was worried about calling because I was like, oh, if there's a dog there, she's gonna get mad at me again. But...
Alright, good luck with that egg, Author V.
I might gamble my egg.
You did it! Oh, I forgot, I left gambling on.
Well, I feel like the eggs are just likely to explode, so I'm just gonna gamble it.
Okay.
Worst case scenario, we lose 24 on an egg. Best case, I make more. Oh, stand on 17, I guess. Ooh.
What is that?
Winning hand, baby. It's now worth 48.
Are you gonna play again?
I'm gonna spin the wheel once because that's like half of what it was worth. So.
Ew.
Well. Only 10.
Yay!
Five and a 7. 12 versus 16. Normally it'd stand on dealers with a 6, but hit me once. 14.
God damn it.
Fuck it, stand. 8. 12. Get a face card, you fuck. 18 now!
God damn it.
Alright.
Let's see what emotes they have.
Oh, I can't afford them.
Oh.
I haven't got enough money.
Well, these are the same as the last cycle anyway. Shall we buy some stuff?
Sure. What do you want? No! No.
What?
This is exactly what she did when I was trying to give her instructions down the microphone.
Big no or little no?
Big dog or little dog?
Well, we're not really hanging out on the ship much, right?
Nah.
We're just going for it. And you don't even want flashlights. Do you want shovels?
Shovel would have saved me. Yeah.
Let's get 3 shovels. And we can't really afford much of anything else.
Pastry, do you know about the generator down here?
I know a little bit.
That's one of the things people think they might be like alluding to is eventually we're gonna like be able to escape this map.
Yeah, that could be. I got. Whoa!
That was no
Careful
idea.
with that. I got 3. So now, if you want to defend yourself, you have the option to defend yourself.
Is it worth anything in a bet?
No! Don't get rid of the shovel!
No, it's not. It's not worth anything anyway. Now you see, Pastry, that wouldn't get rid of it. It would just get rid of its value.
Oh. I see.
But the shovel would still work. It'd be the ultimate gambling.
I mean, yeah, I think, well, yeah. Yeah?
But it wasn't worth anything.
Wait.
So. It's a moot point.
Fuck it. I'll spend the rest of the money on 2 flashlights. And
Flashlights.
then we can go.
Flashlights, just in case you want to actually see what the hell you're doing.
Such a lovely tune. All right, let's go to space.
I'm looking at the timer I set. We've got 30 minutes left on it. That's time to get stuff done.
Yeah. Time to go back to offense, assuming it's an okay planet. Let's see when it
Shouldn't this be
is
shut
all.
by now? Oh, there it is.
It takes its time. Give us that new. Yay!
No overtime bonus.
What are you?
Still can't afford it.
Why did you do this? Why did you do that?
Did we just land back at the
Oh.
company again?
Oh, damn it.
I don't. Does that take a day? I don't know if it does.
No, it doesn't.
Okay, good.
I don't think going to the company ever takes a day away, even if you're in the middle of your work week. Alright, you need to have a little patience. You can send us back into space, but let's look at the moons. We have to type in where we're routing first. So we can go to offense once we're in
You mean
space.
routing
Routing.
or a routing?
Listen, when you catch a fish and you're like, look, I caught you don't fucking say that.
You cut out for me. You just went.
I would never say that because that wasn't a whole sentence.
The sentence before it was cut off was you wouldn't say I caught a trout.
I sentenced you to shut the fuck up.
I sentenced you to shut the fuck up. No takesies, backsies. Let's go.
Hello, my name is Damien Bouge. The best viewers. Fuck off.
Let's go.
You're not as good as the other bot that came in and was like, I want to be your friend, add me on Discord. Oh, I'm heavy with this shovel. I'm a heavy boy with this shovel.
All right.
I definitely doing a jump with this shit.
Was it jumpy time again?
Full 8:30 a.m. on offense, which may or may not be full of mines and bugs.
I don't know how I got here before off of these. I'm heavy. I got a fucking shovel.
How'd you do that? Where is he?
One huge pumpkin.
Yeah. It's basically pumpkin spice season.
Oh boy.
Didn't work well with the audio codec of this game.
What? You know, that button kind of sounds like the sound of a landmine when it's blowing up, and it really made me unhappy.
Yeah. The key.
I'll take the key.
It is fucking dark, man. There's a landmine right outside there as well. Pastry, there's a turret for that door as well. Be careful.
Okay.
In fact, I'm just gonna close that door for a sec.
What the fuck?
There's a landmine to the right of the door. Watch out.
Luckily, in that instance, I knew my right from my left.
It's right there, look.
Is there nothing back here? Yeah.
I got a fish.
Plastic fish? Why?
Hello?
Turning this place so much.
Yeah, they're really defending this place, huh?
Maybe. Oh. That's the mask. Hey. Could you ask your friend to point in a different fucking direction?
Hey, turret, point in a different direction, bastard. Hopefully alive? I'm gonna say no. Pastry, let's go, this... Yeah, fuck it, go through there.
It's a dead end.
Alright. Well, we made a good effort.
I think he's dead.
Alright, now it's turned away.
This sucks.
Yeah, this mine got bugger fuck all in it, man.
Yeah, nothing but death. Anything?
Nah, dead end. I'm assuming Orphalie died then. Haven't heard from him. Ooh, key.
Yeah, sneaky.
We've got a jelly. Wibbly wobbly.
A jelly. Wibbles,
We've got
wobbles.
a bonker. Smash it, turret. Another turret. Yeah, fire exit.
I mean, I have a piece of treasure. I could take that.
There is a turret, like, round this corner. There's a blue door to the left. I'm intrigued by the blue doors.
Door.
Oh, that goes into the tunnels. Oh boy.
Oh, how much does this thing turn?
You can probably run straight through. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need your aid here. Big bolt!
Okay, there's a big bolt! Oh my god, the echo in here is fucking nuts!
What's that? Oh, it's like
What is that?
it's like a minecart track.
It looks like Ike's legs.
There's a V-type engine
Okay.
and a
And a
smasher.
smashing ceiling. I don't like that. Oh, there's a left. What's the left? Sorry, my flashlight's a bit low.
Oh, lights on here. Yield sign! Oh, you can arm yourself. Oh, you need to leave the engine. How heavy are you with all that?
I'm full up. 73. Pretty.
Pastry, I hear a
We're
thumper.
gonna die down here.
Pastry, if the thumper like starts attacking us, instead of running away, put that engine down, we'll fucking kill it.
Okay. Alright, Ike's legs.
Long man. That'll be left.
Where's the last door?
Yeah, left on here would be the door.
Oh, there's a slime outside that door.
Oh, we could go through this one.
Shit. Okay, oh, they're all connected. What was that? Okay, you soothe that. Okay, just keep him.
Okay, the turret's right there.
Father. The fire exit is so nearby.
Alright, the turret's there. We've got to wait for it to turn away. I think. Okay, it's turned towards. Okay, it's turned. It's turned. Okay, do you remember where the fire exit was?
No.
There's that mine. Wasn't it like over here?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, little buddy. I'll see you later.
Bye. My flashlight just broke. Did you just dance?
I did.
Goodbye, Ozzy.
Can you take that thing back for loot? It didn't scan as loot, it scanned as enemy.
You try.
I assumed I was going to take it outside and it would just like die like the Bracken does or something.
That would be so sad.
Ship is... That's main entrance. Ship must be over that way, right? Oh, wait.
This way?
Well, that's me. That's me gone.
Did Maelstrom just...
I got fucking eaten. I made a mistake. I tried to turn and run. You need to kind of stutter step this thing.
Am I about to die?
Oh, here we go. Pastry's gonna get fucking eaten.
Damn it!
What's happened to me?
I didn't even think I got caught up in that. I was very confused at what had just happened.
I tried to turn around and like
Sorry.
outrun it, but that didn't work. I know you kind of have to like stutter step a bit to dodge it. But...
Yeah.
Yo, survivor, yo good.
No! Oh no! We got it! All our stuff.
Man, we got out as well. We had loot and we got out. But then fucking Worm got us.
I had so much stuff! Fucking it's eclipsed, fuck it.
Oh. Awfully, you know what eclipse means, right?
It means no yawning.
Means-
Is it nip?
Enemies from the start.
Come on, you bastards, do your worst. Fuck 'em. My friend Maelstrom's got a shovel.
Yeah.
You're all dead.
Oh,
my
that's bad. That's a bad enemy. I don't know if I got that guy.
That does not bode well for us. He's asleep.
But now,
Is that the Reggaetron?
yes. Dog. Alright. That sucked.
We did take it.
Let's go. Oh boy.
I'm a professional.
Did you bring the flashlight?
You are. Nope.
Oh shit.
Are you fucking with me? Sure is dark.
Sure is a thumper in here
Are you
already.
serious?
What is it when there's a guy with a head? On his
Oh, you can't
shoulders
stop looking at him.
some way?
Or he'll
I
run at you and kill you.
okay.
I think just back into the
Okay.
elevator might be the play here.
Okay. Oh. Can someone... Thank you.
Well, that was a short-lived visit to this planet.
I mean... Will he leave if we wait a few seconds in the safe room here?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, there's a thumper down there as well.
Wait! Come back!
He's okay.
At least take us with you.
I just wanted to make sure I was safe before I risked your lives.
Aww. You. Oh my god!
I love how we've just pressed this button about 6 times is all we've done. I didn't even stop dancing.
Well, we can't even get to the fire escape because you need a ladder to do that.
Yeah, I don't know what to do.
There's nothing up here?
I mean,
How do we get in here?
the real question is, do we lose anything by trying
Down here.
to go down it?
We lose one shovel, and that's it. He okay. Godspeed. We're fucked. What? Where's the... Okay, here's the bomb, and it's a dead end. Maelstrom?
I'm in the elevator shaft with all for the, I think.
I hate that.
Oh, hang on. I'm looking at the thing. I'm looking at him.
Okay, I'm just gonna keep exploring, I guess. What the fuck?
Pastry, if you can get to where we are, where that fella is, you just opened the door, unless that was
I don't
you.
think going to the company ever takes a day away, even if you're in the middle of your work week.
Right. Well, for these, time to press the button.
Oh, come on.
Pastry, you need to see. You need to see what happened.
Oh, this is great.
Pastry, you need to see what happened with the voice mod.
Oh, my friend back. Give me. Uh-oh. Okay, that thing's still around.
Pastry, you need to see what happened with the voice mod.
Okay. Okay.
You were screaming, but you were interrupting yourself talking about like your work week or something. You were like, "Oh, something, in the work week." It's fucking killing me. You were like really casually talking about something and then occasionally screaming and then back to casual again.
That was so scary. There were 2 coil heads, a slime, a turret was shooting at me. It was really bad.
Yeah, it looked really bad.
Oh my
Also,
God.
I was like looking at the coil head, another coil head turned up, and then a man-eater turned up.
Oh my God. Look at the happy little baboon family down there.
We get to watch
What are you
Orphalee
doing?
try and make his way back. He's no shot. He's got
I'm
no
sure he'll know
shot.
his way back. He's an old pro.
But there's a dog out here. Wait, the dog's dead. Oh boy, that means the robot's alive.
Fuck, I forgot about the robot. He's going the wrong way.
The robot is alive.
Oh my God, the dog was barbecued. He
Yeah.
doesn't know where the fuck he's
There aren't many things that can kill the dogs. That's one of them.
Oh my God.
I need to try it at some point, Pastry. I don't know if you've tried it or not, but you can kill the dogs with a shovel, apparently. There's like a trick to it.
Oh.
You can like set them off into a charge and then kind of like backstep as you swing. So like you're kind of like olaying them like a matador.
Ole.
I really wanted to try it
Uh,
like last time, but you know, other stuff got us.
Wait, yeah. Well, the robot was just standing there.
Yeah, you're right. Well,
Unless there's more
there's
than
nothing
one.
else that's gonna burn a dog, though, right?
Yeah, maybe.
Unless
it's
they've
just
added a new
deactivated
outside
until it-
creature.
I don't know.
He's going nice and close to find out if it's dead. Look, there's so much stuff dead around here that
What
must have gotten alive at
Yeah,
some
what
point.
is that?
What else could
That's
even kill
really
everything?
Unsettling. Uh-oh.
Oh, he doesn't know how to deal with
No,
this,
don't
does he?
sit still. No, I don't think he does. It's very intimidating, that sound.
Hopefully he just gets up and runs and kind of accidentally does it.
Come on! Go, no, The worm! It was a worm under the dirt. It was Shia LaBeouf.
God damn it.
Man, that fucking coil head didn't care that I was looking at it at all. It just ran at me. That was fucking horrible.
You may have gotten hit by a second one. There were 2.
But we were looking at them both.
Yeah, when you hear...
and I was looking like where it came. I watched it charge me, so it was like it clearly didn't care I was looking at it.
When you hear that sound, you run backwards, and you can just sprint backwards, like kind of like training with Mary. You don't have to turn around to sprint. You can just sprint in any direction. Again.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go back and find that moment of you fucking screaming over yourself because that was so good.
I was so close to being a great asset.
I know, but you were a great asset.
Hey, listen,
because you
you-
got out of the building.
If at the end of the day, in this playthrough, with the amount of scrap we've got, I think we can all count ourselves as at least adequate assets, but probably mediocre.
We're worth at least $15 as a combined group.
But hey, we almost made it back to the ship with whatever the fuck that situation was, so, you know, you did well.
You did it. Pumpkin.
David Pumpkin.
So we've got no lights, a shovel, and a partridge in a pear tree. Merry Christmas.
I thought you were gonna do like the Neil thing. No lights, no shovel, no hope, no hands,
No lights, no shovel, not online.
Quish.
no
AFK.
chat,
Quish. Fucking Quish.
Hoxon or Quish.
Hoxontal Quish. Oh, Quish Quish. Yay! Merry Christmas. Okie dokie. It's dark. That red light right over there, bad sign. Squishy ceiling indicator. Do not go. Do not collect $200.
Yeah, definitely keep an eye out for bugs and squishy ceilings and large axles. Nice.
That generated? Okay. The steam was coming out of it.
Do you want to just put that in the elevator? So you're not blocked by bullshit?
Bullshit.
Bullshit.
I got rid of the steam.
It sure is dark. Oh, you did?
I thought it was the generator was blown up. It was coming out of this valve.
Oh. Guys, this place
There's a thumper.
is considerably more chill.
No, there's a
I
thumper.
take it back.
You can hear it stomping around.
Hate them. Hate that for us. I'll shut this door behind us.
Oh, this is gonna lead into the caves.
So that's what blue means. Now
Think
we've
so.
got that going
Yeah,
for
yeah.
us. We're learning.
There's a large axle.
Oh. There's a bomb right there.
Someone else want to take this because I got the shovel?
Author V?
And then
Got it. Just, look, when you threw that axle on the floor and Author V disappeared into the darkness, I thought it was the sound of him getting squished. I was very upset. Uh-oh.
That sounds very loud.
Where's that coming from?
That sounds very loud and very close.
Yeah. Where did Author V go this time? There he is.
I think we got enough stuff.
We can gamble. We can still win.
Yeah, we can totally gamble. Alright, you guys have all the loot. I just have a shovel, so if push comes to shove, I'll fight the thing.
Push comes to shovel.
I think we're actually going to be totally fine now.
Okay. Ready?
Axle crew! Fucking...
Large Axel.
with the Axle gang, how you doing?
Hello. You did it!
Shanananese?
Alright, show off.
What?
Shanananana? Shanananana? Shanananana.
Shana.
Sounds like Sim talk.
Pastry.
We're like shanananana. Skibbity booby.
Shananana.
I guess we all bet our
The
axles.
spaceship. Yeah.
Large Axel.
You bet your axle I will. Yeah, baby.
What did she say? Pine fresh beers? What did she say?
Delicious. I don't know anything about beer. So we don't have enough, but we could gamble.
Oh, we're gambling. We need to make 100 on gambling. Like, at least.
Yes. At least a hundo.
The question is, do we go for, like, the slow and steady gamble of, you know, like blackjack or something, or do we go for the big wheel?
I don't know.
If this one's worth 50, that would be 2 spins of the big wheel.
Gosh.
Why don't we try that first?
Me route to the damn company.
We'll bet this one on 2 spins of the wheel. Because it's worth 2 spins of the wheel.
I want to play some blackjack. I haven't played blackjack in ages.
Fine Fresh Fierce, we got it on lock. Not Pine Fresh Beers, then. I've heard that line wrong like my whole life. I always wonder what the fuck Pine Fresh Beers meant.
Pine Fresh beer. Are we just betting everything?
Yeah, fuck it. Why not?
Looks like it.
How much is it
Speed.
worth?
They're all worth like 50-ish.
42.
Yeah. Little further, little further, little further, little further, little further, little further. 100!
Yeah! Wait, does that already take us above and beyond?
I mean, all of these now betting it on blackjack. he got a 22.
Brilliant.
What does this mean?
Ooh, plus 30. So put it down. Let's see what it's worth now. 47.
47.
And then this
Not
is
much
worth
different than it
125.
started.
So we need more. You're gonna have to bet again.
Okay, but whoop!
I'm scared to bet this one now. It's worth a lot of money.
Uh-oh.
Well, that means
It
it's...
went down.
Yeah, you didn't win, but you didn't lose.
Only 10. No, I lost some. Now it's only worth 32.
Yeah, but you can still spin.
Spin!
Ooh. Oh, a little bit further. That would have been really good. All right, you know what? The only way we're gonna win this. I'm betting 125 on a game of blackjack. Let's go. It's 14 against. Oh my god, he got blackjack off the hand instantly. What the fuck, man? This is bullshit. That's just like what happened to me in Vegas Stakes.
That game was very funny.
Grandpa stole all my money. Stop, stop, stop! Death taxes. We need our best friend Bloodshot Eyes to help us out, yeah. Pastry's at the slot, so they need to come over and be like, hello, do you recognize me? I've been playing blackjack all night and I won $10,000 to have half of it.
Guys, I lost all my money. I don't like
Death.
gambling. It's a terrible addiction.
Karlov said death, taxes, and Maelstrom being screwed in blackjack. Yeah.
Well,
We may as well go to space, but if we're gonna go to space, they ain't taking me.
Yeah, fuck them.
We can get a thing out of storage, right? There's a way to do that.
Oh. Not anymore.
Oh, I can't move it because we're up in space. About to be ejected from the company. Wait, no, I can move it.
Quickly.
Yeah, fuck you, you're not taking us, boss. Awfully, look what I've done back there.
Oh, nice.
He would want me to do this. He'd want to go out on his own terms. He'd rather a friend killed him than the company. Alrighty.
Where were you when Nigel was trying to bone me?
Welcome to your first day.
That wasn't even his name, was it? Was it Derek?
Oh, was it? I don't know.
Hopefully he can't even remember his boyfriend's name. Alright. Sick.
Well, thanks, guys. That was fun.
We got to see the new monster. I had a little baby, I rocked him. That was great.
Yeah.
took care. Now I can show you the clip of when we first found it, because I was just absolutely floored when I saw that I could pick the little bastard up. I was like, what? What do you mean?
It's pretty amazing. All right, folks, thank you very much for coming along to another Sunday Super Show. I'm going to go stitch my 2 VODs together now. Go upload it.
Oh, yes, yes.
But yeah.
Thing that is going to have to be dude.
That was a lot of fun. I enjoyed. I hope you had a good time, chat. Next one. I'm just trying to remember. Is next one? No, that's the one after, right? Okay, so there's a VOD Sunday coming up on the 8th. There is another one on the 22nd. And I want to say the one on the 22nd is when Flower and Morbo are holding their big quiz, and we're going to be hosting it on the VOD channel.
Oh.
So you can join us for that. It should be fun. Oh no, I changed into Rob's suit. That's bad.
You were inside Rob.
I like this. But yeah, there you go, folks. That's it. Another Sunday Super Show done. We had a good time. You can catch us again for another one in 2 weeks' time. Maybe we'll have a guest on. We'll see. It's been a busy week for me, so I've forgotten to ask anyone. You can join us in the Discord, vod.gg/Discord, if you want to see when people go live and all that. You can do that there, but
It exists, or
otherwise, y'all have a good rest of your bank holiday weekend.
I'll see you later.
We'll see you next time.